Siri_bot says Siri_bot has joined Cerebro Love.
Oh, time to look at this again. Uh, this does not give me the output that I want. Hmm.
Bodefi Boat says yellow.
Yellow! I got stuck here last time. The code runs, but it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Because it keeps failing the test, so... I don't know why, but... I feel like I need to use an IDE. This is not an IDE. But I need to be able to use print statements to figure out what the output is. I don't know what output it is giving. It's obviously not giving the right output, but I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm doing the math wrong. I don't know. I wonder what I should use. I already have. I don't know. When someone comes in, if somebody comes in to the chat who actually uses Python, maybe they can recommend a good IDE. Because I will need one of those. Whoa. Less than 90%. For one, these two if statements, I don't really think the order matters for these two. Wait a second. Maybe this needs to move out. Please don't give me a syntax error. Okay, it didn't give me an error. That's good. Also, because there's no curly brackets, if the else is here, which if statement does this else belong to? Maybe the closest one. Details can be found under each variant. Oh! Wait, no. Well, it's not giving me any good details. Return actual result. Test expected. Yeah, but what is actual result and what is expected? I hate this. Oh, well, at least, okay. Interesting. I'll look at this one first then. I don't know what that is. Normal. Not equal to low. Okay, this test should have returned low. Wait, do they all return normal? The function return normal. Function return normal. The function return normal. Okay. That's bad. The function return normal. So the function return normal. Why is it doing that? The function return normal. What? What are these all supposed to return? What is this one supposed to return? Low. Oh! Okay, I see. This one is supposed to return low? Oh, this one returns danger. But it probably... Mine returns normal. Does that mean my math's wrong? This gives 10% more for the threshold, 10% less of the threshold. Temperature produced per second. No, I think that sounds right. Maybe I should do the math in my calculator too. Just to like be sure this formula makes sense, because then maybe I'll figure out why it doesn't work. I still don't understand why everything's returning normal. Normal. Okay. I wonder what tests 1 and 2 were, because I assume I passed them. Okay, so 10 temperature, neutrons produced per second. And the threshold is 10,000. So I multiply 10 times 399, 3,999. Wait, I don't have to use a calculator for that. And then ask, is 3,099 less than or equal to the threshold? 10% of the threshold. Which would be... maybe that's just 1,000? 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1,000. Just 3,099 less than or equal to... Oh, wait. That's a problem. This doesn't make sense. What I just did. Less than or equal to... Does it? The statement's wrong. Probably. How do I fix this? I don't know, something doesn't seem right. 3,999 less than or equal to. No, in this case, it's not. Oh, it's supposed to return low. Less than? Okay, so it will fail this. The threshold minus 1,000 is 9,000. But it's gonna pass this one. And this is wrong. How do I make this right? Leave a comment. So if this if statement made sense, then it would need to be, it would need to either be 10,000, in the range of 10,000 to 11,000. Wait, 11,000? Or it would need to be in the range of 10,000. Superbrain, hey! I think I did the math wrong.
Superbrain says, yo, what up?
But this is wrong because I'm supposed to. I'm trying to get this. I think. Well, it runs, but it doesn't give me the right answer. But I think it's because I don't know how to make. I don't know how to use less than and equal or equal to appropriately. I'm sad, but I'm trying to figure it out. Why this is wrong. But this is the. Well, I'm looking on this one first because I don't think the order matters. Or does it? I don't know. I don't think it does. Originally, I had this if statement first. But I'm working on this one.
Superbrain says TTS sounds different today. Like the audio is picked up twice.
Really? Interesting. TTS hasn't changed. Oh wait, it's maybe because of, maybe I should close this window. I don't know. I don't have any Twitch windows open. And TTS is louder today. Just in general, I think it's audio's louder. Does it still, wait, does it still sound doubled? Oh yeah, it's because of the small window probably. It's probably fine now.
Saltviceranide says test.
But this, I did this, I don't know, this is wrong, so I did it wrong. Temperature times neutron stars, and then it has to be within 10% of the threshold. So either 0 to 10% less, or 0 to 10% greater. Oh wait, I know what, I think I knew it. I think I knew it. I don't know, I think I, okay, wait. Well, we know it needs to be either, or this, for this one, it's either 9,000 for the test case. So that I can make sure it works. 9,000 to 10,000, which is not, it's not what I asked. So I need to change this.
Bodefi Bode says I don't know anything about Python, but maybe writing threshold 0.9 instead of threshold 0.1 might help.
Maybe. Well, in any case, so if I was doing it correctly, I would be asking, is temperature times neutron stars? And then when I do the math here, it should say, is it within the range of 10,000 to 11,000? Or is it in the range of 9,000 to 1,000? That's not what I asked. I asked, so I asked it wrong. So the math's bad. I asked, is temperature times neutrons produced per second less than or equal to 11,000? Not in the range of 10,000 to 11,000. I asked, is it less than 11? No, sorry, is it less than 1,000? And then I asked, is it greater than... or something like that. I did something like that.
Says
I don't know. I just didn't give a range. Really? You need... I'm just going to go back through the first one again. Because I need to be asking this one for the first one. So if I do threshold times 10, this is 1,000. Threshold plus 1,000, 11,000. But I need to ask, is it 11,000th? So threshold... I will need... oh, yeah.
Superbrain says that might be it.
Yeah, let me just... I think these need to be separate. I'm going to do another OR. Just keep this for later. But no, I need to do... wait a second, hold on. Let me put it back for a second. This isn't... I don't know if this would use an OR, because it's like, it has to be specifically in the range of this to that. Oh, and...
says hot. Smiley face.
Maybe this needs an and. Oh, hey. Hey, Brian.
Bodefi Bode says end.
Oh, I don't know why. I thought Boded the Bode was you for a second. Oh, so you have... oh, wait, you have two accounts? You have Superbrain and BCE Math? Oh my god, you guys, bro.
Noble Penniless says no, this is Brian. Smiley face.
Okay, you guys all can be Brian, I guess. Anyway. Alright, guys, so...
Superbrain says I only have this account.
Oh, so just multiple people are named Brian. Which is fair, I guess. Don't tell... your name is Brian too, Penniless?
Also starts with AB. I wish it was Brian Oswell. Sad face.
Oh, you really are? Oh, so you have two accounts. You have BCE Math and Noble Penniless? It just so happens that Superbrain's name is Brian. But he's a different Brian, but...
Superbrain says also I said brain, not Brian XD.
Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry. Yeah, you did say this is brain. Oh, can't read. Never mind. But I guess Penniless is...
Noble Penniless,
Penniless
says
is
I
Brian.
am so confused.
He wrote Brain. I read his message as Brian, so I thought he said his name was Brian, but he just said his name was Brain, because he's super brain.
Noble Penniless says how many Brian/brains are there?
I need to say equal. Wait, but I did let... oh, goddamn. I can't code this in one
says,
statement.
are there any other Squidwards I should know about?
Okay. Maybe you can do this with a less than or equal sign, but I don't know how, so I feel like I'm not going to do it.
Bodefi says remove the or and type and instead.
But this is still wrong. This is still not what I should be asking. It's not gonna help. I mean, I'll show you.
Try it once, please.
It's still asking the wrong... it's even worse, maybe, because it's asking... wait, what? What?! Wait a... what?! Are you serious? That... what?! I'm so confused. Okay, now... what?! What?! But no way. It's gonna be even worse. What? I don't like math. Oh god.
Noble Penniless says go Bode.
Why did that work? Math is important, but why did...
Bodepi Bode says
God.
I guess math is important.
The and fixed it? No freaking way. Less than or equal to... Because then what... Okay, wait,
Noble
let me try...
Penniless says I am math.
Oh my god, let me try working out the numbers. So, if it obviously works, but if I ask that...
Bodepi
So I'm gonna
Bode
use
says
my own
because
numbers.
both statements need to be true at the same time.
Oh, wait. Okay, let me think about it. But what if... Okay. What if it was below...
Superbrain says are you familiar with logic statements using and or and not in general?
I thought I was, but apparently not, if this works, because I wasn't expecting this to work at all. But, okay. Let me plug in numbers until I understand this. Because...
Bodepi Bode says you have a range AXB so you need AX and XB at the same time.
But it can't exist in both ranges at once. It can only exist within one of the ranges. Wait, oh, you're saying it is just
Noble
one
Penniless
range.
says at Salt to Serenity do
I thought they
numbers
were...
make your Brian number? Smiley face.
What? Okay, well, okay. I do have a range. X needs to be less than B, X greater than A. So you need A is greater than X. And X is less than B. At the same time. Oh. But I do have... The range looks like that. A... X less than A. X greater... Less than... Because I thought these were two separate ranges, and then it has to fulfill... That's why I used or. It has to fulfill this condition or this condition, but apparently that's not how it works.
Bodepi Bode says that's what you're being asked to do, right?
Oh, that's kind of cool,
Bodepi
Superbrain.
Bode says between 11,000
I
and
didn't know it
9,000.
supports... I didn't know it supports that kind of syntax. 20. That's a cool one. Okay, between... Yeah, 9... Oh, okay, seeing the numbers is helping out a lot. If it's between 9,000 and 11,000, you're right. I was like dividing them up into two ranges, thinking it needs to be or. I definitely made a logical mistake. Does my logical mistake even make sense that I made it? I hope it at least makes sense so I feel less bad about it. But what you're saying, yeah, it makes sense. It needs to be... See, this is what I did. I did 10,000 to 11,000 or 9,000 to 1,000, but it should be 9,000 to 11,000.
Says, oh, I see what happened.
Yeah, that's why I made this comment. You actually need to combine it into, like, take the lowest, which is 9,000, with the highest, 11,000. But I did this this thing. But then, why wouldn't it... It still should work, even if I do it... Like, it should work your way, but shouldn't it also... Wait, wait. I'm thinking. Oh, yeah. Why would the or not work, though? Why is it... Because if it was in... This should be... Shouldn't this be equivalent? Saying this or this, shouldn't this be equal? I mean, all of this. I'll put it in brackets or something. Shouldn't all of this be equal to... saying...
Noble Penniless says it is less than 11,000 and, at the same time, more than 9,000. That is why it is and.
Let me see. Is less than 11,000 and at the same time.
Superbrain says you actually just checked if it was bigger than 9,000. You didn't check the upper limit.
Because I used less than or equal. Oh. I actually just checked if it was bigger than 9,000. Where's the one where I do the 9,000? This one? This statement? But I didn't check the...
Bodepi Bode
But wait,
says
I have less
than...
than...
that way.
Okay. Dang, I almost wish you guys had your own mouse cursor so that when you're like explaining things, you could like point to what you're explaining. I'm sad that Twitch is so limited. Oh, maybe I can go find like a service, like a web service that lets us draw together on a whiteboard.
Superbrain says, and also you checked if it was lower than 11,000. Then if either is the case it would be true.
Oh, wait, oh. I don't know who
Superbrain
Ubi
says
is,
Obi
but
used something like
Miro? Uh-huh. I have to look that up. Okay, I need to keep thinking about it.
Bodefi
Is
Bode
this
says
free?
Miro whiteboard.
What are the limitations of the free version?
Noble Penniless says no. Don't find a service. Code your own service.
Oh,
Smiley face.
okay. Yeah. Oh, I would totally want to do something like that. That'd be a fun project, something I can use for my Twitch chat, and we can all draw. I would do it, but I'm gonna have to get up to that level of ability. Oh my god. And I can't even understand basic. This is like basic less than equal to logic, and I'm still like trying to grasp this so that I don't make this mistake in the future. That's why I'm staying here, even though you gave me the answer and I passed, and I could move on to the next problem. I think I need to stay here until because this is such a basic math concept. I need to be able to get it so I don't do this again, or I'm just gonna keep doing it over and over again, and everything will break. Oh, okay. Use it in math. Oh wait, let me just go back here again. Members free. So what do I not get? I don't get guess.
Bodefi
What
Bode
does that
says
mean?
it's simple inequalities.
I know it is, but it's just like I thought what I was asking is the same thing, and it's clearly not the same thing, or it would pass all the tests. So it's not the same thing. I at least get now what you are saying. That's nice. 9,000 to
Bodefi Bode says you
11,000.
get 3 boards to edit.
Oh, that's all it means. Oh, okay, fine. That's fine then, because I can keep racing the boards anyway. I don't think I've been using
Bodefi
one.
Bode says I have an account I can share a board.
Oh, you mean like a paid account? Or something? Is that what you mean? I just need to make an account? Free.
Bodefi Bode says no, it's if you're
Oh, this
lazy
is
to
free.
make a board.
It's, yeah, free accounts get 3 boards. Oh, I got you. If I don't want to make one, you'll make one. Okay. But what about the number of people that can actually collaborate at a time? But even if it's capped, you guys can just take turns anyway, so it doesn't even matter, I guess. Okay, well, if you can make a board, if I don't have to make an account, we can just try it on yours.
Bodefi Bode says I think it's like 20.
Oh, wait, by the way, x greater than 9,000 or x greater than... Oh, wait, x greater than 11,000. Wait, greater than?
Noble Penniless says oops typo.
Oh, you're gonna say less? Oh, yeah, because that's what I asked. That's what I asked. I asked, is x greater than 9,000? Is s... X.
Superbrain says at Noble Penniless this. Except
That's
for
why.
the typo.
That's why. Okay, when I ran this with my logic, I do know for a fact, it just kept returning normal for everything. It was like normal, because everything passed as a normal. So I was asking. I know for sure I was asking for every real number. Smell. Damn. Is that what I did? But here I did threshold minus, so I said is x. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Oh yeah, you're right. Damn it. Is x greater than 9,000? It's x. Wait. Or x less than. Wait, I asked is... What? Did I ask is x less than or equal to... Oh, 11,000. Less than 11,000. Oh no, oh yeah.
Odefi Bode says you
Greater
have to make
than.
an ACC and erase the link
Yeah, you're right.
https://miro.com/welcome/rj1 New York ZTR Val Rian Calibet
Hold on, I'm gonna mute TTS just for a second. So I can actually read. You're right. Okay, I agree. That's why mine is wrong. Because I did ask that. I asked, is X any real number? Is X any single real number? If so, return normal. That's true. But then you changed it so that it's that but this is simple and it fixed it magically. Oh, you're good, Noble. You're like, I'm probably will get confused, but I'll read it anyway. I just won't think too hard about it. You could also ask for the two non-normal states. Just return if none of those are the. Oh. Oh, because, okay, I get it. You just, like, you're cutting off the edges and then asking for the, if it's not that, then it has to be the other one. I think that makes sense. I'm not sure how I would do it. Maybe I'll try to do it for fun. Once I understand this, I'll, like, block all this out and try rewriting the statement in that way, too. Because I think it'd be fun to have, like, multiple ways to ask the same type of question. Because learning. Yeah, I think I understand what he means, but do I have the ability to code it? Well, that'd be fun to try, so I might try that. But first, alright, now that I know what I'm asking and why this is wrong, how did using and, just this simple changing or into and, how did this make it into 9,000 to 11,000? Now that's where I'm at. Because just this and turned this thing that didn't make sense, and suddenly it became logical, and then it was asking the correct question. And that's where I am. I'll put TTS back now. The link thing's over. Well, let me open this and see what happens. Damn it, I do have to sign up though. Okay, so it doesn't support.
Superbrain says I'm stuck on Miro's question about what I would like to do. There is no fool around option.
What does that mean? No fool around option. You need those for programming the mathy ones. Oh, you mean logic operators. Okay, if X is less than...
Bodefi Bode says yes.
Okay, I think I get it now. I just looked at it a little bit more. This is really cool. Okay. I'm gonna make a note of why mine was wrong before. But... Wait. But are these two things... Okay, wait. First, just for 1 second. This isn't what I asked. This is what I was supposed to ask. I thought I was asking this, but I was actually asking, is X less than or X greater than? And then it turned out to be in the range of every real number or whatever. But this part is right. This part I wrote in the notes. That 10,000 to 11,000 or 9,000 to 1,000. If I did write that, which is not what I wrote. But if I wrote this, then it would be equal to 9,000 to 11,000. Is that true? Because I do want to assume that's true, at least. Because that's equivalent. Equal, or whatever. Just the part in the comments here.
Says https://ardofproblemsolving.com/wiki/index.php/.
Oh, just give them a random answer. You don't have to be honest with random companies when you sign up to join their surveys or whatever.
Superbrain says yes, that is true.
Okay, thank you, Superbrain. Alright, but I asked, but by using or instead of an.
Bodefi Bode says it's just a little article on Booleans.
Okay. instead of and, I asked the question, and then I'm gonna copy and paste the thing that you said from earlier. Where is it? Oh yeah, x less than 9,000, x greater than 9,000 or less than 11,000. Every single real number.
Noble Penniless says yay
Oh
for
God.
Booleans.
So the function always returned normal. Okay, there's a little note of my mistake. Oh wait. Oh yeah, you have to keep it like this in Python. In a single line. Okay, I'll just keep it in a single line. Okay, so we know this works. That's good. That's good.
Bodefi Bode says, what site are you coding on BTW?
This is called exorcism. Like, exer as in exercise. Like, that's their company's name. Wait, I'll just type it. They have a lot of languages. They also have...
Salt Desironides says exorcism.
Their most... No. Oh, wait. Is that how you spell exorcism for the... Oh, yeah. Never mind. Like the movie, yeah. But, now that I think about it, it's kind of a weird name. But anyway, their most supported language is C#. C# actually has the most exercises, which is kind of cool. That's actually why I picked exorcism first, because they had so many like C# ones, but it's really hard. I got stuck on the C# one because of not understanding what the functions in the C# library do, and when working with strings, it was just very hard. But I'm gonna end up going back to it again. But I'll probably just start from the exercises all from the beginning, just to like refresh. But I made it a lot further than I made it in Python, so that's nice.
Says you want to learn C eventually, right?
Of course, I want to learn C and C++ and C#. Those are the three most important languages to me, I think. Since I want to make games, I feel like those ones are critical. Like C, C++, and C#. Because they're used everywhere for like different games. And then Python's really not that important. I'm just like playing with it for fun. And it's popular with people, and you can like, a lot of people know Python, so you can like meet more people that way and learn more about like programming and logic and stuff, and it works. And it's good for mathy stuff too. Like if I want to like, you know, improve my math, like Python works well with that. For game development.
Superbrain says Python is not important match.
Python is not important. You gotta finish my sentence. You can't just cut it off. You can't cut the phrase off. Python is not that important for game development. Like shipping out games. I mean, like, you know, like game engines and stuff. You can get away without knowing it, but... And then I might learn a little bit of like JavaScript, and that's also not that important to me. But it's useful because it's used everywhere on the web to make like functionality on the web, so just another useful one. And I really don't want to learn any other programming languages other than all those ones.
Superbrain says Python is important for development.
Nice! See, this is what happens when you cut out certain words that people say. It ends up, you can get exactly what you're looking for. It's beautiful, Superbrain. It's beautiful. Yay for oh, that was cute, Noel. You said, you just were like, yay for Booleans. Yay. I don't know why, that's really cute. Yay, Booleans! Okay, let's look at this website that you just sent me, and I'm also gonna bookmark it too. I just bookmarked it. And then let's open it too. Oh my god, the guy's name was George Bull. No way. No way he named it after himself. Why does everyone always do this? Named after George Bull.
Bodefi says IFF means if and only if.
IF. Is that a Python syntax? Or is that just... a shortcut in general? Like, you know, like, is that just like an acronym type thing in English in general? Oh, wait, no, wait, that's syntax. Acronym, okay. If, and it just becomes if, like with extra F's. If,
Bodefi Bode
yeah.
says acronym.
But it's common in math. So good to know. If I saw that in a textbook, I'd be like, oh, they made a typo and they put too many F's. Oops, I accidentally clicked on your name.
Superbrain says I doubt anyone historically named stuff after themselves.
Oh, they were just
It was
naming it
probably
to
always
honor
someone else
them.
liking that person's work.
I see. But that would feel so weird. Okay, imagine I made some discovery in math, which would be crazy, considering I'm struggling with to understand basic booleans. But anyway, imagine if I made a discovery in math and then 100 years later someone like named the thing after me with my name.
Bodefi Bode
I don't know.
says
That
yeah,
feels
like
weird.
the 10,000 Euler theorems.
Saltine, saltine. That's cute. You know what has is cute? Okay, wait. Maybe I wouldn't be that upset then because it sounds cute. As long as you use salt on it, I like it actually. But if you were to use my name, then it would be weird. Salt's cool though, so salt goes good in everything. I actually don't even like salt. Like as in like I don't like salt in my food at all, but that's besides the point. Um it's a cool concept. A boolean is a primitive data type. In almost all programmed languages that can represent a value, true and false in logical expressions. Yes. Yes. They use primarily in conditional tests. Python tests in the Python. The test in the first line of an if statement or while loop must evaluate to a boolean. Okay. In the reserved words true and false, note the capitalization are constants representing the two possible values of a boolean.
Superbrain says I think hamburgers and fries go well together.
Yes. All the relational operators return booleans. So, oh yeah, it's gonna be like greater. Is this specifically for Python? Oh yeah, operators Python. Let's look at them real quick. Wait, those are numerical. These are okay. So they're called relational operators. Less than, greater than, less than,
Bodefi
equal
Bode
to, greater
says
than, equal
onions
to.
are the best vegetable, no context.
Okay. They have layers. X equal to, not equal to. Okay. Going back. X and Y will return true if both X and Y are true. X or Y will return true if either X or Y is true.
Superbrain
Well,
says no
I knew
opposition
this. I know how they're supposed to work. I just didn't get why mine didn't work. Not X will return true if. Oh yeah, if and only if X is false. Wait, why does it matter? Why? Wait. Oh wait, these were all if and only if. But wait, why do you have to say if and only if? Why can't you say if? Isn't it the same meaning? X will return true if X is false. Oh, they just mean like there's no other conditions. Like plus, also, also, also. But if you say if and only if, then it's like clear there's nothing else that matters. What if X is true?
Superbrain says then what if X is true?
Then not X will return false. Question is going to be chained, and if necessary, precedence can be forced with parentheses. Oh wow, you can do this with parentheses? Oh god. Can be chained. Oh. Wait, what happens if you take these parentheses away? If you just say X and not Y, or... will you get a syntax error? Oh, because then it will parse like not Y or Z, and it will just, oh yeah, it will just do something else.
Make things so much nicer.
I can't try it because this isn't an IDE. Like, this only is checks. It only runs tests to see if your thing is right. But you can't even use print statements in here, just like to debug, which makes me sad. It's probably why it's better to get an IDE. I have an IDE for C#. That's nice. So, but not for Python. I mean, maybe I could just use Visual Studio. and download the Python module thing. Oh, okay, got it. If you got a good Python.
Bodepibode says online compilers exist as well.
Oh, if you got a good Python compiler that's free, that I don't have to make an account, that I can just like randomly just copy and paste Python code into. Give me your rec. The sentence not X. Wait, what? The sentence not X will return true if X is false.
Superbrain says Python compiler, sad face.
Why? Wait! Oh, Python interpreter? Is that what you wanted? Sad face. What does it see? Well, C# uses a compiler, okay? Okay. Don't be like that to me. I didn't mean to hurt Python's feelings.
Bodepibode says code blocks is the goat.
Nice. Wait. For online E. What is this?
Superbrain says oh sorry typo.
Oh, okay, let me read the new one. The sentence not X will return true if X is false. Oh, yeah. There, puts no restrictions on what happens when X is true. Wait, so let's say you didn't use if and only if. Then what are you saying? Like if you use plain English words. So the opposite case. The X is true. What do restrictions on X being true? What does that even mean? In the event X is true. Code boxes that wait, what's this? Wait, what's code box? Like this. Okay,
Superbrain
thanks.
says you just don't know what happens then, because it's undefined then.
Oh. Really?
Bodepibode says C compiler.
What's code? Also, what's CodeBox? Because you recommend it. You already sent this link, but this site's name is ProgramMiz and not CodeBox. Where's CodeBox? Oh, this is for. Oh, this is like another one, right? But maybe for like C or something, or this is. Oh, it's just an IDE. Okay. Gotcha. Because it's oh my god. So if you don't put if and only if, then it becomes undefined in the event X is true? This is so confusing. Why does that happen? What? This not X will return true if puts no restrictions on what happens when X is true. I don't know. I don't get what the difference. Well, I don't know. In my head, when I use if, I don't know, I use them interchangeably with if and only if. So if is just. I've never even said if and only if once in my life, but then that's because I don't do math. So, like, if has the meaning of if and only if, but the problem is that in math, if does not have the same meaning as if and only if. That's confusing. The sentence. Okay. I guess it's like without the if and only if, it's not strong enough to like I don't know, cover the whole thing, I guess. Logically. But super formal.
Superbrain says this might be too in-depth formal logic.
Okay.
It's the difference between an implication and an equivalence.
So in this case, if you just use if and you do not use if and only if, is if is the equivalence and if and only if is the implication? If in math geometry at least is prove what that there's the only case. Oh, if is just prove that case. Oh, but if and only if says, I guess you mean, that's the only case. Rather than proving it just one time. So, like, it's more powerful. The first one. Oh, wait, the first one.
Bodepi Bode says
Oh, yeah,
the
yeah.
first one is IFF
Yeah.
SBTW.
IFF proves that's the only case. Oh! So it adds like an only in there. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. And then the other one just proves just what you said. That case. Okay. So they're having that meaning of exclusivity. That there's not other, like, conditions or anything else in there. That's really cool. Okay, I need to bookmark, hold on. In a separate tab.
Superbrain says if is an implication. IFF is an equivalence. It means you can always find just the one way back. If I tell you not X is true, you know what X is.
What the hell? Go away. Code blocks uses ads. Okay. I'm bookmarking those in a separate window. Code. It's on. Okay. So now I have it. Oh, cool. Cool, okay. Oh wait, let me see. If is an implication.
Superbrain says lovely fake download button ads.
Oh, I know, right? Those are so toxic. I mean, everyone is used to them at this point, and everyone knows not to click on them. But they're so toxic, though. I remember when I was, like, a kid, I would fall for that, though, which is actually pretty sad. But when those, like, first started being used, at the very beginning, I think I might have... I don't know. My first computer did end up getting viruses on it. You can't blame me. I was just a kid. But yeah, I mean, no one should fall for those at this point in time. Lovely fake download button ads. Oh no, I know, right? In some it works on kids.
Gems in Brawl Stars.
Free Robux. Sorry, that's what they're called, aren't they? Lol. Hey, I have Brawl Stars. I'd play with you if you wanted to play sometime. I didn't uninstall it yet. No, you just brought up. Oh yeah, Nigerian Princess for the grandmas.
Prince works on grandmas, Gems works on babies.
Agree. Gems for the babies, Nigerian Princes for the grandmas. Oh my god, Nigerian Prince is such a classic. Oh god. This. Oh wait, let me go back to reading what I was reading. If is an implication.
Bodepi Bode says I have 24k on Brawl Stars.
Oh nice. You would have had more stars if you just clicked on the free gems ad, but you didn't. Now you have less stars. If is an implication. IFF. I'm just gonna call IFF so that you know I'm talking about that one. Is an equivalence. Oh. It means you can just always... It means you can always find just the one way back. If I tell you not X is true, then you know what X is. Oh. So if you tell me... And if it's IFF, then if you tell me not X is true, then I know X has to be... Wait, not X is true. So I know X is false. But if it's just not... If it's regular if... then x could be something else. Technically, I guess. Oh, because it's just the one case, so x could still be something else, but still fulfill the conditions of this one case of not x is
Superbrain
true.
says yes.
Oh. It's interesting. See, not x true. X is... And then it becomes undefined. Okay. I bet it makes even more sense. Well, in the case of that particular case, because it becomes undefined, it's like weird in the sense of like, oh, you expect there to only be true and false. But I bet if you...
Superbrain says wrapping my head around the concept of implications all those years ago took YAAI longer than it should have.
Maybe it's like easier to understand if instead of like just true and false only. Maybe if you use like examples of actual like sets of things, like if these things are fruits or I don't know, like real objects or something, maybe it makes more sense. I don't know. Like, I know undefined is like a concept in math, but that shows up, but like in my head, undefined, like, what even is undefined? It doesn't even exist. Like, why do we even have undefined? But why do we have all these other weird things, like complex numbers? I don't even want to get into complex numbers right now, but math is so abstract. It's so abstract.
Odepi Boat says 0/0.
If you can't count it on your fingies, then it doesn't exist. That's what I say. I hope you quote me on that when I become a famous mathematician in the future. Wait, zero? What is zero? Philosophy math.
Says there's concrete math and there's philosophy math.
Is number theory philosophy math? Since everything is like a empty set of zero or something that doesn't make any sense, that sounds very philosophical. Yes, thank you, Bode. I already feel famous. But then you're gonna teach all your students to be bad at math. Do you really want that? I don't think so. Alright, well, I'm so happy I got past the meltdown. I was about to have a meltdown. Thank you, Superbrain, or thank you, everyone. Who was, oh wait, the first one who was saying, just use and, just do it anyway. I think it was Bode, it was you, right?
Superbrain says x is a square implies x is a rectangle.
But you all contributed.
Or maybe if x is a square, it is a rectangle. Most definitely not IFF here, because there
it was
are rectangles that are not squares.
So you might be the first one, but everyone contributed to like giving more detail to like help me understand it better. So thank you guys all for mitigating my meltdown.
Superbrain says the goat.
That's why it's called meltdown mitigation, because you're the mitigation, chat is the mitigation. Without that, if I'm just doing this by myself, this exercise is called meltdown. Because it's just gonna be like the whole time I'm not gonna get anywhere until eventually I reach super critical or whatever, and then the United States doesn't exist anymore. The goat. Oh wait, let me read this. X is a square implies X is a rectangle. Oh. Okay. Or maybe if X is a square, it is a rectangle. But not if here, because there are rectangles that are not squares. Oh, yeah, that's a really good example. Yeah, once you use like real things and not like true and like some fake true and false stuff. Like once you use sets of real things, it makes more. Yeah, that's what I meant. If X is, let me look at it. That's really cool. If X is a square, it is a rectangle. Oh, but if you used if and only if, oh yeah, then it would have to be, then rectangles would have to be squares, but there would have to be some rectangles that are squares. It's so interesting. Okay, cool. So just the regular if says that not, in some cases. Or just that the squares are the rectangles, but not all the rectangles are squares, mainly. Oh, that's the one. It doesn't say anything about this. Okay. Once you depart from the wonderful world of abstract algebra, everything suddenly seems to make sense.
Superbrain says once you depart from the wonderful world of abstract algebra, everything suddenly seems to make sense.
Yeah. Therefore, we should abolish abstract algebra. Yes. And I'm sure every person who does math would agree with me. Especially in this category. We'll start a revolution. Okay. I guess now I'll do some... After doing that math... Well, it was more like logic, but logic is related to math, kind of. Let's do some more math, but here instead. On this side. And this is the 36th question.
Bode says Collat's conjecture.
What the... I don't know what that is. I'm scared to look. I'm too scared to Google it.
Superbrain says now I am actually wondering if logic is an algebra.
Oh wait, oh no, I clicked on something again.
Bodefi Bode says it's this famous unsolved numero.
Numero problema, okay. Oh, so it's still unsolved. That's sad. Well, I'm not gonna be the one to solve it, so... Oh no, I'm about to lose my streak. Or something. Or what is that? I don't know what the exclamation mark means. Word problems. 8 employees on the Game Shop sales team. Last month, they sold a total of G games. One of the sales team members... I hate word problems. Crystal 70, because you have to pay attention. And you have to use English, too, not just math. And math is hard enough by itself, so I don't have room to, be thinking about English in addition. Okay. One sales team, Crystal 17 fewer games than what the team average per employee. Oh, I'm supposed to probably... I'll just write it out.
It's really easy to understand. Therefore, it has wasted lots of recreational mathematicians' time.
Oh, I love that. That's awesome. Well, whoever came up with the problem is awesome for wasting people's time. He's like, oh, this seems so deceptively easy. I can waste everyone's time. And even in the modern day and age, and the foreseeable future, people will continue to waste their time. That's epic. Wasted lots of recreational mathematicians' time. Damn. Okay, I'll look at the conjecture then. I wonder if I will not understand it.
I don't think that was the intention.
Oh.
Oh God.
But
I hope it wasn't.
If it was, then he's so cool. He's so cool. I don't know. Scientists who are trolls sometimes are the coolest, especially when you don't know for sure if they're trolling. Nope, that's too hard. Bye. At least it won't waste my time. I like how my first instinct was, oh, he's just a troll, and yours was, oh, I hope that's not the case. You're so trusting. That's how you know my brain has been poisoned by the internet.
Odefi Bode says n congruent 1 mod 2 is odd and n congruent 0 mod 2 is even.
I don't know what incongruent means. I don't know what congruent means. Oh, there's Corrupt. Hey, there you are.
Says, go back
dude. We just spent like over an hour. It's my fault. It's my 100% my fault. But we just spent over an hour talking about basic booleans because apparently I don't understand how and or are different. In the oh my god, I can't. But it's okay now. It's okay. We've moved on. Oh, nice,
Corrupt Converter says I signed a bunch of papers at the Marines recruiting office today.
But the only sad thing is if you end up joining the Marines, I might end up seeing you less often, and that will be sad. But that's okay. But the important thing is that you fulfill your dreams, and you work towards the things that are important to you. Inequalities. Yeah. I mean, I understood the basic concept, but
Converter says and rightward
we went
arrow both are true.
Here,
rightward arrow at least one is true.
There's a reason why I took notes. Here's what happened. I wrote it in a single sentence so that in the future I can look back at all the stupid things I've done. This is what happened here. So this if statement was an or. Originally it was an or, which ended up being every real number, but I didn't understand that because I thought it was the same thing. Like, I thought my or was asking this, 1,000 to 10 to 11,000, or 9,000 to 10,000, but I wasn't actually asking that. I was asking this question: is x less than 9,000, or is x greater than 9,000, or x less than 11,000? But that actually, the answer is every real number. So I wasn't asking what I thought I was asking. Anyway, but I figured out what my mistake was now, so. Yes, that'd be everything. Yeah, because my Python program...
Converter says yes, that'd be everything.
That's why, for this task, it basically was giving me normal for everything. And I'm like, stop giving normal for everything! But it was because of my failure to write proper instructions that are actually very simple instructions. Like, there's not even algebra in here. It's just be better. Get good! Scrub, you mean. Yes. I must unscrubify myself. But now I understand my mistake, so it's all good. It's all good. So would I fail this question again on a test in the future? I don't know. Hopefully not. No! I would not.
Corrupt Converter says yes.
Okay. Just for you, because only as a reward for you helping me, I will go back to it. And look at it.
Says hello.
But obviously,
work this evening, so
hi.
I won't be able to stick around.
Oh, don't worry, Peach Tea. Yeah, but forever, even if you're here just for like 1 second, I'm happy you're here. So, you know. What was I doing? Oh yeah, okay. To reward you for helping me earlier, I will do what you asked me to do, Bode. Even though I don't want to. But this is, you know.
Corrupt Converter says I pray to Satan that your code always fails every time you make
Shut
a change.
Up! That's so mean! Last time you prayed to Satan, I got the question wrong because you prayed to Satan. Bruh.
Corrupt Converter says ha 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 ha.
Jesus. Okay. Where's your link? Bro, where did it go? Oh wait, no, there was no link. I googled it myself. I hate this. I don't want to look at this right now, but you're making me do it. Oh, there's an if. What the hell? Why is the equal sign have another bar? Yeah, I don't even understand what it's asking. Well, I tried. I looked at it and I looked at it.
Lingo says equivalence.
Oh. Oh, equivalence. If and only if. Wait, what? Oh, equivalence. Oh, yeah. The triple equal sign.
Lingo says caret.
Wait, take a number, any number. If it's even divided by 2, If it's odd, multiply by 3 and add 1. Repeat until you reach 1. What does that mean, repeat until you reach 1? Oh, you mean like... Wait, if it's odd, multiply by 1. Oh, you just repeat. Okay, I see. It's like a loop.
Says so if something is x1 mod 3, then that means x mod 3 equals 1.
Well, you always reach 1. So, like, find something where... Like, a pattern or something? The idea is, like, find a pattern where you will always reach 1 if you plug in that number. Like every fifth number, you will always reach 1. That's not true, but if it was true, then you would beat the conjecture. Oh.
Corrupt Converter says, or sorry,
yeah,
x1 mod 3 means x mod 3 equals 1.
Oh. X congruent 1 mod 3. I don't know if you read it like that. Oh, X equivalent.
Converter, I think congruences are a little too advanced, RN.
Yes. Wait, equivalence is the same thing as congruent?
Corrupt Converter
What's happening?
Says so, n0 mod 2 basically means it's a multiple of 2.
Oh my god, you guys need to start typing the equal sign, the triple equal sign in English words. Oh, it doesn't mean equivalence. Okay, never mind. It's
Superbrain says doesn't mean
like at all. Oh damn. Okay, never mind. Wait, what is it then? Oh, you're answering what it means. Oh, it means it's a multiple.
Their question that they asked about what that symbol
I see.
Means.
So it just means something is n is a multiple of 0 mod 2 and multiple 1 mod 2. Okay. And then the weird squiggle bracket is like a set, or I actually don't know. Why is there not a squiggle bracket on the other side so it's symmetrical? These things matter. Clear remainder.
Corrupt Converter says AB mod C is another way of saying
a
mod C equals B.
Oh yeah, because you're doing mod, so you just want the rare. Yeah. Okay. And then you want to reach 1 or something.
Odepi Bode says so 7/3 has remainder 1 and 7 1 mod 3.
Okay, A. I already forgot what it meant, so I'm gonna scroll up and read it again. Oh, multiple. A is multiple of B mod C. Another way of saying A mod C equals B. Okay. Oh. Okay, so 7 divided by 3 is remainder 1 and 7. Oh, 7 mod 1. With 7...
Corrupt Converter says AB.
Oh, wait, how do you say it again?
C, rightward
7
arrow,
multiple 1 mod 3.
C equals B.
Wait. So 7... 7/3 has remainder 1. Oh, and 7... 1 mod.
Odepi Bode says 7 is congruent to 1 mod 3.
Oh, so you mean, and so 7 is congruent to 1 mod. Okay, you're just rewriting it. 7/3 has remainder 1. Then you can rewrite it as 7 mod. Wait, no, 7. What did you say? 7 is congruent. Oh, you're supposed to read it. 7 is congruent, but but congruent means is a multiple of. I guess. 1 mod 3. Wait, or maybe you're not rewriting it, or maybe you're just saying like they end up. I don't know, actually. I hate that you made me look at this though, but I'm only humoring you because you helped me with the and or question.
Has remainder 1 when dividing by 3.
Yeah. I'm getting lost on the second part with the congruent 1 mod stuff. It's a lot. All this stuff should be written in just English words only, not symbols. Oh wait, A. Oh wait, let me look at yours. Corrupt. A. I guess congruent, whatever the hell. B mod C is the same as A module. Mod C equals
Superbrain
B.
says congruent is an English word.
Yeah, but it's not how I use that word. I don't use it in the math way. Okay, English word, but not math term word. Yes. Like, more like explain like I'm five English word. There. I defined English word for you. Okay, A
Bodepi Bode says
C
it's fancy English.
equals B. Exactly. Fancy.
Corrupt Converter says congruent is a Japanese word that you haven't learned yet.
Bruh. I like the other way. The A mod C equals B. Why don't you just write it always like that? I hate the triple equal sign. It's ugly. I don't like it. I like the. I would rather have the other way.
Corrupt Converter says true.
Yeah. It's a problem. Okay. A. Oh. Let me just stare at it just a little bit longer before I just need to keep looking at it. I don't know who it was. Was it like Peachty? Was it you, Peachty, who said you learned math, you just like kept looking at it
Bode
until it
says
made sense?
because I like it makes it more clean.
Is it more clean? No, it makes me feel more dirty, so I don't like it. It is more impure.
Superbrain says W.
You guys. Wait, I'm gonna keep looking at it. A. C. Huh. B. Okay. How do you, from looking at this,
Corrupt Converter says getting over it stream when.
I don't have getting over it. Anyway. But I have Chained Together. I'm not gonna be able to afford games for a very long time. I spent during the summer sale, so anyway. Very long time. How do you know you're supposed to keep repeating it over and over again? Oh wait, because it's a fun. Oh. Okay, never mind. Oh, it's not part of the instructions. It's like then it's like now form a sequence by performing the operation repeatedly. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna look at the English version that you wrote for me earlier. I'm gonna scroll all the way up to. There it is. Take a number, any number, if it's even, and then I'm gonna look at the math notation for that. I guess. Maybe I'll learn something. If it's even, divide it by 2. If it's odd, multiply by 3 and add 1. Oh, because this is the part. This if any n mod. Oh god. If n congruent 0 mod 2 is saying, is it even? Because then. Okay. And then if n. So the remainder would be 1.
Corrupt Converter
Okay,
says
I
yes.
get it. So this is saying what the congruent thing is saying what the remainder ends up being. And if the remainder is 1 when you divide by 2, it's odd, obviously. And if it's 0 and it's even. Okay, there, I looked at it. Well, that's kind of cool.
Superbrain says BTW, I love Japanese math terms.
Yeah, sometimes they're
They are
nice.
all just so much better.
When you...
Commutative is
because of
basically
kanji.
just switch swap aloud.
Mm-hmm. But Japanese has its fair share of words that are, like, more screwed up than English, too. But they also have a lot of nice ones, too, you know? It's like, if you could just take the best things from Japanese and the best things from English and the best things from French and take the best things from all the languages and cut out all the crap, then you'd get an awesome language. Every language has its, like, pluses. Just some languages have more pluses. This is cool.
Corrupt Converter says call it Yaplis Nasa.
No. Collapse. Oh wait. Oh. With enough repetition, do all positive integers converge to 1? Wait!
Bodefi Bode says
What
what's
the
the
hell?
alphabet?
Why does this... why do people want... I don't get... why do people want to, like, solve this? Wait, why would this ever... why would all positive integers ever converge to 1? Like...
Corrupt Converter says AI butchered the pronunciation.
I don't see why this even seems solvable at all. It just seems like... oh, it's like because you just keep going forever. And but how would it... I don't even know.
Because it's very hard.
What? I mean, couldn't you ask a question? Couldn't you just say, like, with enough repetition do all positive integers converge to... and then pick any number? Converge to 5 or 10 or whatever.
Corrupt Converter says it's simple but very hard to solve.
But how does it even appear solvable? I don't know. With enough repetition and evolution. It's like... it feels like this. It feels like asking to me, this is what it looks like. Okay.
Superbrain says because there is a kind
Here's
of
my question for you guys. So, you know, we have our parents and our parents' parents and our parents' parents' parents. With enough generations, do all living things eventually become crabs? Or do they not become crabs? Because we just need to keep going long enough. Because everything becomes crab. Like, what? That's not even worth solving.
4 is even so you get 2. 2 is even so you get 1. 1 is odd so you get 4 again.
Oh, so it looks like you... but then... well, it is kind of deceptive. Kind of. But this, I guess the problem is the problem here that no one can prove it false either? Like, they can't prove it as... like, they can't find a solution, but there's no one's able to prove it as impossible either. And if you can't prove it as impossible, then it could be true.
Bode says some people have
right?
video games and some people have abstract math.
Oh, that's what makes it unsolved. So there are people that are at least trying to prove it false, but it's like
Converter says,
it's too
yeah,
hard.
We don't know if it's true or false.
1 and no one found a number that doesn't reach 1. But don't we assume things are true if we haven't found a number that doesn't reach something? Like, until you prove it false, it's just true? Wait, is that how it works? Is that how things work? Maybe not. Well, yeah.
Corrupt Converter
no?
says no.
Not in math, though? Oh. Okay.
Bodefi Bode says no.
Prove it. Damn. Okay. Nice. Oh, okay, this was actually kind of interesting. Now let's go back to how many games did Chris sell? How many games did he sell?
Bodefi Bode says another simple one to understand is that there exists a
I
crime
accept
between
your
N and 2N.
apology for bullying. Stop giving me these. These aren't solved. I have to get through. I'm never gonna get through 6th grade if I keep being distracted. N and 2N. What am I doing? What am I doing? Why am I drawing things? Why did I just draw a bunch of dots on the side of my screen?
Superbrain says at Bodefi Bodo Chibushev said that.
Well, that's... That's fine. Oh yeah, G. Oh, we sold 17 fewer games. Wait. Doesn't this mean there's 2 variables that are missing?
Bodefi Bode says I handed one of these unsolvable problems to my brother and said if he solved it I would give him $100 and he sat there for 3 hours and gave up.
Well, let's call it average. Wow. That's so mean. You bullied your brother. That's so mean. Oh my god. That's like almost more mean than there was a dude who told me once. It's horrible. There was a dude who told me once he had like
Superbrain says at Bodefi Bode that's amazing.
He had a little brother, and when the little brother was like a toddler, he would hold up colors. Like, he would hold up a red marker to his brother and say, "This is yellow."
Bodefi Bode
Yellow.
says asterisk he is.
And then he would hold up like blue and be like, "This is orange, orange." And then the kid actually learned the names of the colors wrong, and the parents couldn't figure out why, which is like really messed up and mean. Minus. Wait, what? Oh wait, it's an express. So I just have to say. I don't have to give the number, right?
Superbrain says
yeah.
Okay, that was messed up.
The parents were like so confused. They thought the toddler had like a learning disability or something, but it was just because he was messing. Like when the parents weren't around, he was just like messing with the kid.
Corrupt Converter says you don't assume true when it looks true because then you can run into a situation where you assume it's true but then down the road someone finds a counterexample that's like a million digits long.
What the? Wait, what is this? I hate this. No, there's just pain and frustration because everything needs a solution. Math is it's a different breed. I think though in most sciences, like if you have convincing evidence that something is true, it's true until you prove it false. Kind of.
Corrupt Converter says it's fun if you solve
but not
it.
Whatever this pure math is. It's fun if you solve it. If you don't, it's just annoying. Exactly!
Superbrain says there is a good song by Grant Sanderson about how you shouldn't assume patterns hold true.
How many games did Chris sell? So they actually want... Oh wait, no, this is finding the average. What? Wait, it was minus... Okay. Did Chris sell? What? I hate this. Oh. I'm already stuck on the first problem of this. Yeah. That's interesting. Wait, source total G games. Oh wait, no, this what I wrote doesn't make sense, does it? I should start moving. Let's keep the G. That's not what it's saying. It's sold a total G games. Oops, listen away. Wait, if it's something is the average, then there's division, so there should be division somewhere.
Superbrain says you are also not looking for the value of g.
Oh, okay. That's good to know. Okay. So something divided by 8. Like, number divided by 8 or something? Or total games. Oh. So games divided by 8 minus 17. Like, in the parentheses, right? I'm not using a tablet right now. Go away. Oh, wait. Maybe this is what they wanted. Maybe it's like this. 17. Okay, I hate this. Oh, wait. Why did I write 18? Oh, that's what they... Okay. I hate this. These problems are annoying. Steve afforded 8 chocolates, decided to give 8 chocolates to each of his F co-workers. Expression. So I don't have to solve it, right? That's what expression is. Each of his co-workers. Is it like 40? Wait, 48.
Corrupt Converter says it doesn't mark you wrong on a question if you mistype the variable I think.
F times 8? Is what this is? Oh wait, there's a question if you mistype the variable. Oh, well, that's good. Hopefully it doesn't. Damn it. Is that not what this is? I'll never... 6th grade's too hard. Like if you put... Oh, y instead of... Yeah.
Corrupt Converter says like if you
Science
put y
you give.
instead of t when it needed t.
Oh, wait, no, wait. F8. This shouldn't be that. I think that's wrong. It said... So 8 chocolates to each of his F co-worker. Is it? No. But then... F needs to be in there.
Bodepi Bode says I like how nobody is helping you.
I know. But... Because you guys are like, this is so easy. It should be self-explanatory. It's fine. Oh, is it? Okay.
Bodepi Bode says there wasn't
Damn
even
it.
one
I get
X.
it. I get... Oh, wait. Oh, I get it. Oh, wait, that actually makes sense. Okay, let's try again. Start.
Corrupt Converter says I'm just not paying
Nice.
attention.
The price of a... By the way, if you're still around, Corrupt, I'm going to study for a little bit, but if you're still around when I'm done, do you want to play some SCP? I haven't installed it yet, but I don't know. I think it'd be fun. Yay! Okay, that'll be my reward for not being stupid. So I gotta not be stupid so I can
Corrupt
get
Converter
done some
says
stuff.
sure.
That'll be fun! Oh my god. Okay. Hey, I love horror games. The price of visit, but I just don't have the guts to play them solo. It's too scary. What is the dentist is... I wonder what it's like. It's just 7 problems. I know. It's just... And it's not even... I don't even have to
Superbrain
do...
says it's just 7 problems.
I don't even have to do
You
a
can
bunch
do
of
it.
annoying steps, like the... Oh, wait, let me switch my category back to math. I don't even have to do a bunch of, like, annoying steps. Like, you know, like, long division. I just have to understand the logic of what it's asking me. I don't know why I'm so bad at just, like, understanding what I'm being asked. Like, it's almost just as hard as solving the problem. It's like, what are you asking? My brain is not very math inclined. That's not good. Here, I switched my category. Wait, why is it? Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck loading. No,
Superbrain
I
says
don't want
that
to solve the
Corrupt
rewrite
Converter, oh, come on.
hypothesis.
That's way too easy.
I'll never be published except in the Book of Idiots. Oh, okay. I think I have to actually log on to Twitch to fix this. That's really annoying. Damn. Okay. I'll just do it like that.
Corrupt Converter says what happened?
OBS, like one of the windows broke. So to fix it, I would have to restart OBS. I don't wanna stop the stream. So I'm just gonna log into Twitch and do it this manually. The manual way. I'm changing my stream category to math. That's all I'm doing. But the window broke. Like, it's stuck. So I have to do it over here instead. How do I do this? It's like edit stream info. Gotta do it the long, hard way. There. Oh wait, I think I can just like refresh.
Corrupt Converter says the long hard way gigadoo.
I think I can actually maybe refresh the. I'm gonna try doing that. Quick stream information. Let me try opening and closing the window. Maybe that's all I needed to do all along. There we go. Oh! Okay, I think that's all I needed to do. Wow, I didn't have to do all this, like navigating to a new window manually. Okay. Price of visit to the dentist is $50. I don't know how much a visit to the dentist normally costs. If the dentist fills any cavities, an additional charge of $100 per cavity. So just don't get your cavities filled, is what I learned from this. Gets added to the bill. Is that the answer? Don't get your cavities filled because you get charged an extra $100. Oh wait, I can't even. Oh, I can't even like write. Like it won't even let me put a space. Don't. And then the E's like all messed up for some reason. Isn't that weird? I'm so jealous.
In my country, it's free because
Damn
we have
it.
free healthcare.
Anyone who does not live in the United States, I'm so jealous of. Usually, like, that must be so nice. But I'll never be able to leave the United States if I remain stupid and don't have like skills that other countries would want, then I'll be stuck here forever. So, if the dentist finds end cavities, what will be the cost of the visit be? Okay, and let me think about this. Oh, why is this so? Oh, okay. So 50 plus, because the 50 is the base fee. 100 and Grandma baked 96 cookies. Grandma, who likes Nigerian princes, baked 96 cookies and gave them to her grandchildren. That's a lot of cookies. So she wants all of her children. She wants them to have diabetes. Yes, corrupt. Yes.
Corrupt Converter says, "Are you Grandma?"
I'm great, Grandma. I was born when Aristotle was born, but I never, learned anything.
Superbrain says Grandma has a deal
Ooh,
with the dentist.
damn. What kind of... I shouldn't ask what kind of deal she has, but maybe it's a mutually beneficial one. Cindy received C fewer cookies than she would have received had all the cookies been evenly divided. Cindy! Grandma hates Cindy! She literally has favorites because she received C fewer cookies. Oh no, corrupt.
Corrupt Converter says, "I eat that much junk food daily and I'm fine."
Okay, well hopefully they feed you good, healthy food in the Marines. I don't know, Bode.
Odefi Bode says, "What you mean by that face with raised eyebrow?"
I just mean Grandma and the dentist are both businessy people. They obviously have a contract for cookies or something. Received C fewer cookies than she would have received had all the cookies been eaten. Oh yeah. How many cookies did Cindy receive? This is 8 Oh, it's just 96 divided by 8. Minus... She got 8 less. Wait, she got C fewer cookies. Its history isn't that bad. And I baked 3 batches of cookies with C cookies in each batch. She got 8 cookies. Wait, why are these ones significantly easier than the other ones? Or maybe I was just being really dumb earlier. I think it's just because it's the same pattern over and over again.
Corrupt converter
It's
says
not
the answer is
infinity. Sergio has P paintings in his art collection. He and other local painting collectors agreed to donate a total of 48 paintings to the local museum. Each of the 12 collectors will donate the same number of paintings. How many paintings will Sergio have in his art collection after his donation? Wait. And local painting collectors. Oh, so 40 is the total amount of paintings donated? Oh, yeah, it literally says a total of. Yeah, that's a total. Oops. Same number of paintings. Wait. This doesn't look right, though, because there should be, like, a P in here, but... Maybe this? But that looks different than all the other ones. No way. Am I missing something? Because I feel like it's going to be wrong. But it looks right, but I feel like it's going to be wrong. I'm about to check. Yeah. Goddamn. Is it not? Because they're donating the same amount.
2 pi 2 2/e caret 2 asterisk p.
No. Whatever that is. That's not the answer. Yes, P paintings. So he's one of the 12. How many will he have left in his collection? Not how many paintings did he donate.
Superbrain says P is right now. You are looking for the amount
Yeah,
after
I just
the
realized,
donation.
like, damn it, I'm asking for how many he donated, but that's not what it's asking. What it wants me to find. I see. P is having after his donation. Damn it. P minus then. There are 2 volunteers to donate blood. Unfortunately, any of the volunteers did not meet the health requirements. They couldn't donate. The rest of the volunteers donate 407 millimeters each. Just 7 problems all over again. It's just 7 problems.
It's just 7 problems.
It's just 7 problems.
You can do it.
I pray. Hey, it's because you pray to the devil that I'm going to be stuck on 7 problems for literally an infinite amount of time. Write your answer as an expression. 32 volunteers, 20 blood. Did not meet the health requirements, so they couldn't donate. The rest of the volunteers donate 470 milliliters each. Wait, how do I set this up? How many millimeters do the volunteers donate? Oh, okay, 32 minus N. I think that's going to be in parentheses somehow. 470. Wait. What? I get it. It's just 7 problems. 30. Huh? Oh, wait, why am I dividing? Wait, it's 470. It's that's in the numerator, bro. I can't. Why am I dividing the blood into them or something? Like, what am I doing with my life? If this is wrong, I'll be sad too. Wait, what? Wait, I don't even know anymore. Stop praying to the devil. I know that's what you're praying to. And the launch should not meet the health requirements. 407 millimeters
Super
each.
Brain says
400
what's a
it's multiplication! Wait. I'm saddened now. Yeah. No wonder I got that other word problem on the last post test wrong. Grandma! Hey, did I maybe memorize this? It's not average how many, you're right. It's how
Bode says it's not average how many.
That's true. The more I study math, the worse I get. This is the exact same question. You're right.
Corrupt Converter says this is the exact same question.
Yeah, I forgot exactly what the answer was. See how this divide evenly among the 8 children. Oh yeah, it was just this.
Bode says the dentist has a ring of grandmas.
I know, because I keep looping on the same questions because I keep getting everything wrong. So now it's just feeding me back the same things. That's how bad I'm doing. Donald has $20 bills and one $10 bill. How much money does Donald have? 10. Plus 20. 4 friends evenly divide up an slice of pizza. One of the friends' Harris ate one fewer slices than he received. Evenly divided up an n-slice pizza. So I think that's n over 4. One fewer slices. Wait, how many slices did Harris eat? Yeah. This. Jack had 3 bags of golf balls, 3 balls in each bag. That's from game 6 more ball. 3B.
Corrupt Converter says yes.
There are 8 employees. Oh wait, this is the same thing, this one. I remember this was the first question I got when I started this in general, and I got it wrong, which was fun.
Corrupt Converter says the answer is 3.14159265358979932388462795028819719716 and a bit.
What the team averaged per employee. Wait, was G over divided by 8 minus 17. 3 batches of cookies with sea cookies. She's someone to buy 3 shirts for $7 each. Yay! That wasn't even like... There wasn't even any computation involved in that, but somehow that was like annoying. Maybe I'll do this. This doesn't seem too much. There's only 4 questions. Oh, okay.
Corrupt Converter says, see, that was easy.
Yeah. Easy. Easy. I did that in one go. It was easy. Easy. I think that one. This is 33 minus 7. Three. Not that one. But this one. Probably. Wait, no. Wow. Okay. I didn't plug this in, but... Oh, wait, that would make it big. Okay, I see that. Okay. I'm just glad there's only 4 in this tiny part. Okay. Hey, and I was doing inequalities earlier here.
Superbrain says, oh no. I feel the sudden urge to create high paraphernalia and change one later digits. Almost no one would notice. and if you do, you would out yourself as a massive nerd that memorizes digits of pi.
I mean, I have this feeling like someone did that because there's so many trolls in this world. Someone would have had to, and no one noticed.
Superbrain says one of the later digits asterisk.
Why did Automod even hold that? That makes no sense. One of the later digits, like, what?
Superbrain says it's hip to be square.
To be square. Digits? Is an insult?
Superbrain says I believe that's an insult in the UK.
What? Like saying someone is a digit? What does that mean? What?
Superbrain says no square.
Oh, square. What? But you're supposed to be there or be square, right? Which of the T guys has one? Oh yeah, I'm T. T.
Corrupt Converter says the thing that got held by Automod.
Thing that got held by Automod. Oh yeah. But you're supposed to be there, be square. That's what I'm saying. Squares. I mean, I guess it's bad to be square, but. Hey. This is enjoy my confetti. My beautiful, beautiful confetti.
Corrupt Converter says you didn't answer the question.
I did. Okay, I'll just do some of these because this is 36 is a lot. Yeah, I did.
Superbrain says no, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. The expression 2.4b minus 210 gives the number of Indian rupees you receive when you exchange $D currency exchange. What do you mean? You guys are trolling.
Corrupt Converter says what's your answer?
I know, right? 30. It's nice. How many rupees do you see when you exchange $13?
Superbrain says
Art
so
thou
square,
circular,
oblong, or whatever the other ones
what?
were.
You be there or you be square. 2 4 minus. Oh, 13. Oh. Oh, I get a calculator! Hell yeah! 62. Wait. Why am I typing manually with buttons?
Superbrain says, are you seeing the messages held by Automod?
Yeah. Am I? I don't know. Because I keep allowing anything that shows up. And so if something you sent isn't there, then it never even showed up at all. Even in Automod. I'm literally about to deny that. I'm about to deny your message. Not you though, Superbrain. Wait. I just clicked allow on your and then it went away. I don't understand. Oh, whenever I allow, it disappears. Even though I'm clicking allow, it's disappearing. That doesn't make any sense. What does it look like in the Twitch chat for the viewers? Like, does it, when I click allow, does it show up? Because when I click allow, all the messages are disappearing. Like, what? So then maybe not. Yeah! I don't get it.
Superbrain says corrupt's message isn't there for me.
It says clicking allow will post it to the chat, and then I click allow, and then it I didn't turn off Automod because everything everyone writes is like getting held by Automod.
Says, what if you just turned off the Automod?
Yeah, I could turn it off right now since it's obviously not working. It's true. I don't know. That's weird to me. Wait, deleted messages. Wait, there is an area for delete. Let me see. Choose how you. Hold on. This has to be like an error, like I don't know, some coding error on Twitch's part. Let's see if there's a deleted messages in the 8 messages were deleted by a moderator. That's crazy. So when I'm clicking allow, it's actually denying them, even though I'm clicking allow for some reason. Yeah, you're kind of right. Well, Automod usually
says, "Oh, that's bad enough." Just referencing the word without using it.
Automod usually works correctly, but it's not working right now. Like the allow and deny is obviously not working, but I'm trying to figure out how to turn it off, by the way. So
Superbrain says, I loved Gordon Ramsay's amazing show The F Word.
Twitch is so annoying. Why can't it be more user-friendly? Shield mode off. Emotes only chat off. Followers only chat off. Slow mode off. Yeah. That's not what I want.
Superbrain says, so that's fine.
I mean, honestly, I have SiriBot, which usually will automatically detect spammers.
Says TDS 7.
So I probably don't need to worry about Automod.
7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7.
Okay, I temporarily turned it off because it's not. I don't know why it's not allowing messages at all, even when I click allow.
Superbrain says he just keeps going and going.
Yeah, that's true. Because I spend more time allowing messages, don't I?
To be honest, if somebody says something bad, you can just manually
moderate. Yeah. You're right, because that's why Automod even exists. So that you don't have to do the work. But honestly, I'm doing more work allowing messages than I am, moderating them. Which I've never even needed to do. The only time I've ever needed to do it was when someone comes into a bot comes into my chat and it's like, free viewers, click on this link. Then I remove that message. But SiriBot does it for me. So I probably just all I need is SiriBot. It's 210. 601.2. I want to see if I can get to, like, I don't know. I'll just do it, like,
Superbrain says cheap viewers on. Who even want cheap viewers? I would want nice and talkative viewers.
Guys. SiriBot's pretty good. It's pretty smart. But you should be careful with that, because it'll be annoying if it... Because SiriBot, the way it works is it automatically bans.
Superbrain says LOL.
It, like, deletes your message and then bans you. So if you did trigger it, then you would get banned, and then I have to unban you, and that's a pain, and maybe I'm too lazy. So maybe I would do it after the stream. You know, you never know. But it usually, I think how it finds them, it detects the bots, is it uses like a list of known bots. Like if your username matches. Oh yeah! And first, oh yeah, that's smart. It probably does that.
Bot, then it only check
first time
chatters.
You're right. Maybe it's doing that instead. I didn't think about that possibility. It's probably doing that. And then it looks for keywords like cheap viewers and stuff if it's a first time chatter. Smart! Oh my god. Why didn't I think of that? I remember, so there was someone who recommended Seribot to me, and I didn't want to use it at first. I was like resistant to it, but they were like, because I was like, I'm scared it's gonna ban my actual like viewers. Like, how will it know? But it doesn't ever do that, so.
Superbrain says there is some sort of game here. Might be bad to play.
Yeah, we're not gonna play that game.
You progressively write more outrageous messages until one of you gets banned. The last person not banned wins.
Juan and Robert are selling cookie dough for school fundraiser. Juan has tea cookie dough orders. Rob has 40 cookie dough orders. They have a total of 75 cookie dough orders altogether. Yay. Ooh, the shade, the Mr. Beast shade.
Says I wouldn't participate, LOL.
I would say I would make a comment about Mr. Beast, but I don't want to get hate rated by a bunch of Gen Alphas, so. How many cookie dough orders does Juan have? Oh yeah, Juan is T, so 40.
Corrupt Converter 35. Says Dr. Chris respect.
Which equivalent to 2R. I don't even know how old is Gen Alpha right now. Gen Alpha's like below 18, right? I think they are. Aren't they like just like kids? Legitimately kids. Two R plus T plus R.
Corrupt Converter says Gen Alpha is 377.
Yeah. Wait, none of the above, right? 2RT.
Corrupt Converter says wait.
Say something like what? What an expression to represent 9-1 quotient 2x. This is cute. I love how all these like questions are like preparation for algebra, like algebra-y things. No.
Corrupt Converter says TDS 777. 777. 777.
Okay, I'm doing TDS for a little while. Haha. 7. 5, 4. It won't. 4 is greater than. Wait, what? Which are the A values? What was I doing? I was like solving like an algebra equation or something. 3, 9, 10, 11. 3. Pierre is 3 years older than his brother Claude. We're an equation that represents Pierre and Claude is C years old. Do I have to put an equal sign? I don't even know. I'm using just a free TTS. If I had like an actual service, there's probably lots of things I could do. Or if I coded my own TTS bot thing, you know, there's a lot of things I could do. Ooh, but you know, I will say, if I ever do code my own I turn it back. If I ever do...
Corrupt Converter says I mean maybe probably.
If I ever code my own, like, TTS thing, then I invite you all to try to break it. Anything I ever make, if I ever make anything, I invite anyone to try to break it.
Superbrain says sounds
do
like
your
something
best.
that should exist in current year.
Do it, then. Oh, if I make something. Anything I make, I
Corrupt Converter
find
says
bugs,
I'll
break it. This is my challenge. It won't even be very hard because I'm bad at coding, but I don't know. It's fun to have other programmers try to break your stuff. And I have a friend. No.
Corrupt Converter says if I find you can I break you.
That sounds so wrong. Superbrain's like, what? It sounds so wrong.
Superbrain says what?
Only calculus textbooks are allowed to do that. Claude is C. And Claude is 17. 17. It's 24. I'm so sad right now. Do I have to do Wait, no. Wait, I just did math wrong, didn't I? Just simple arithmetic. 17 plus 7. 7, 6,
Corrupt
5,
Converter
4.
says I will take your feedback into consideration when I'm conducting the skull bashing experiment.
Yes, thank you, GLaDOS. What? Pierre? How old is Pierre when Claude is 17? What did I do? Rating person. Oh wait, but I was supposed to have a. There's supposed to be a P in there, I think. Oh wait. How old is Pierre when Claude is 7? What? Wait, no, but Pierre's 3 years older. Why do I have 7? Why did I put 7? Because I saw 17 and then I just... What? Why did that happen? When brain.x just fails for no reason. I'm sad. Oh, just has divided by 2. I guess I understand now why there's 36. It's really not... They're not, like, super hard. X... I know. Oh, wait! Oh, I forgot the... Okay. Well.
Corrupt Converter says I designed these trampolines originally because I wanted to see how well people could complete tests when catapulted into space. The results were very informative. They could not.
Beautiful. And your image below represents a balanced equation. One of my favorite GLaDOS lines is the one where she's like, "How are you doing?" or something. She's like, "How are you doing? Because I'm a potato." It's good. Since the image 27. What is this? What does this image even mean? Like, wait, what? B plus 9 maybe. So why is this circle square attached?
Corrupt Converter says I'll send a picture of a potato in the Discord.
Let's see. Dude, if you do, send it in the voice chat channel. Like, that's what that's for. I forgot to say that. Like, the voice chat. Well, the one that says... did I ever change the name? I need to change the name. I think I did. Did I?
Corrupt
Oh,
Converter
text
says
chat
it's
for
in
VC.
general.
That's what that's used for. But don't use general. You sent that already. Text chat for VC. Let me change its name. Because this is for if I'm streaming. It's actually just for text chat for stream. Text chat during stream. Let's see, okay. It has a long name now, but whatever.
Superbrain says don't VCS have integrated chats
Yeah, but
now?
we're not in VC. But I wanted that to be used for streaming too, so that general people, because everyone who's not watching the stream is going to be confused when we're sending like images and stuff. It's just like random images, so that's what that's for. It's for the people who don't know the context. B plus 9. But I've told you before, your dog's cute. Complete the table. Roll 5x. Let me...
Corrupt Converter says it's a potato.
During streams. Okay, 5x. 5. Oops. Wait. Well, can you send in the other one? X. Or 3 o'clock trip. She wants to write an equation that shows how many hours trip will take. In terms of the rate at which she travels. 300. Wait. Okay. Our baby. Is a sum with oh. It might get strong. Is it 2? 28 more. Yes, yes.
Corrupt
My baby is
Converter
the
says you
product
have
of
28 more questions to go. Corrupt Converter says don't make a
pretty
mistake.
sure. Oh my god. Is it 3? Wait. Huh? Oh my god, do I really have to look at what a factor
Corrupt
is?
Converter says maybe it's 2 and 2.
2 and 2. Oh, it's not. What in the world? What's a factor then? Over here, what are factors?
Term is the number 3. The second term is just the number 4.
Oh, wait.
And the third term is the number...
Term is a different meaning than factor. I thought term and factor meant the same thing. That's the problem.
What I want to do in this video is think about... Now let's think about the term factor.
Superbrain
And
says
when people are
3
talking
and
about a
3.
factor, especially in terms of an expression, they're talking about the things that are getting multiplied in each term. So for example, if you said, what are the factors of the first term? The first
It's just what's being multiplied.
Corrupt
Wait.
Converter
term
says
refers
brute force
to
it.
this one right over here, 2 times 3. And there's 2 factors. There's a 2 and a 3. And they are being multiplied by each other. So here you have 2 factors in the first term.
Corrupt
What about the
Converter
second
says
term?
is there an option
The
for
second
1?
term, right over here. The
No, there's not even an option for that. Hold on, I should do want to see the video though.
second,
To
this was the first term.
see-
The
what is
second
this?
term here has only 1 factor, just the 4. It's not being multiplied by anything.
Corrupt
And the
Converter
third term
says no.
here, once again,
There is? Oh, I didn't even. Oh no, I see. 2 terms.
Corrupt Converter says
Okay,
there's
3
factors and
factors.
terms.
That's what it. That was the problem. I didn't even realize that. I thought they all said. I guess this is why you read your answers, like your options. Okay, equivalent expressions. Yay.
Corrupt Converter says reset.
Mm-hmm. Not this. C plus 2. As C increases. Oh my god, I meant increases. It's just
Superbrain
36
says
problems.
it's just 36
I know,
problems.
it's just 36.
You
Oh,
can
well.
do it.
No calc. Which is 10.5. It's 20. Oh yeah. 25. And then
Superbrain says 1 billion.
1.25. Wait. 25. Yeah, I think 0.25. 1 billion. Shut up! No, I don't want. I don't want to finish it in 17 days. That's horrible. No. Consider 20 kilometers per hour. Write an equation that represents the distance in kilometers Seb travels based on how many hours he bikes at this rate. Alright, distance. Equals time. We want distance though.
And Stucky says G morning salt.
Time times rate. Oh, hi, Insucky. Good morning. I see you do not live in my region
Corrupt
of the
Converter
world.
says hey and Stucky.
Insucky. Did you factor in the rising stress levels that come with later problems? I did not factor that in, but why? I think we should just ignore it.
And Stucky says not I do I just morning.
We want distance, so distance equals, because isn't the base is like distance divided by rate equals time. Does that sound right? I think so. So then distance equals rate times time. Yeah. 2.5 hours. Oh, he's 20 kilometers per hour. Rate time.
Corrupt Converter
So
says
40...
Ensalt has a history of getting the last question
50.
wrong.
God damn. Well, I didn't. This isn't the last question, but what? 20 times 2 is 40, right? 20 times 1/2 is 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. Is this equation?
Corrupt Converter says you're not marked wrong.
Ugh. Well, I mean, I have to be salty according to my name. You're not. A typo? What do you mean typo? What did I do wrong with my variables? Wait, what? I'm so confused. Is this not the equation? 3 times time? Yeah, I do! I wrote D equals RT.
Corrupt Converter says you don't have a variable R.
What I do? It's right here. It's right here. Oh wait, I just covered it up. It's right there. D equals RT.
Corrupt Converter says R is not specified in the question.
Isn't kilometers per travel based on how many? How can you? Oh no. Do you mean I have to do 20? T? That's not fair! Oh wait, R isn't specified, but why does it matter? It shouldn't matter. R 20 is R. This is cheating. I'm getting
Corrupt
cheated.
Converter says yes.
I'm so sad. I feel like no, I have to. Oh wait. Oh, it didn't mark it. That's why you said you didn't get marked wrong. It was just saying like we want it written different. Okay. I didn't get cheated. I just got annoyed. That's fine. Okay. Z 6. Let's just let apply. This would be 2Z plus 6. But no. Wait. Yeah. Right. Because it doesn't matter the order you add things in. Even though there's parentheses here, it literally doesn't matter. Because you could do Z plus Z still. Even with the parentheses. Plus 6. So that should be right. Should be C. I think. No, that one. Z. Not that. An equation. Write equation represents tape diagram. Will be gray filled in. Oh, okay. I need to remember to check that.
Converter says you know if it marked you wrong because the circle at the question on the bottom will be gray filled in.
You're right. Tape diagram 13. Okay, well 17 minus 3 is 14. 4. That better be 4. Yeah. And then one equation.
Corrupt Converter says but in general if it gives you X and Y and you type Z it doesn't mark you wrong. Just says to check your answer.
Okay, got you. G equals 10. It's a 4. H is 6. 4 plus is 18. Before I forget. 1 was 4. 1 was 18. Right. So 22 minus 6. I think. Oops. And then 16 is the final answer. Oh god, that was close. Do not round. Okay. 6, 36, minus 25. Oh my god. handwriting's so good. 31. So I think 11. Yeah.
Corrupt Converter says that's 11.
11. On a math quiz, Tatiana earns 5 points for each question she answers correctly. She wrote this equation to find how many points she earns based on how many questions she answers correctly. Huh. Oh god, I don't know. Well, wait, question's correct. Oh, wait a second. Now I have to really think about this. What makes something dependent or independent?
Corrupt Converter says that means you will get to question 11 before getting fail.
That's not what that means. 5 points. Points must be dependent, because it's dependent like on how many questions there are. I bet this one's independent. I don't know, I just feel like it is. Good, thank God. -2. Subtraction. Simplify. Okay. Well, this is 9W. Plus 27. Oh god, it looks like a Z. Oh yeah, and then this is 8. 8W. 17W plus 35. Hey, I got past question 11. Ah. So B equals -4. 6. So 1/4. This graph shows how much range measuring kilometers per second gets based on charging time. How many kilometers in range bicycle gains based on how many minutes it charges. Oh yeah, you're right. I didn't read.
Technically, I'm not wrong yet.
Oh, okay. I didn't read that. Right, I get it now. You're saying I will at least get to 11, which I did. So I did fulfill the prophecy. Just for now, though. I see. Dang. Oh, wait, hold on. I just ended up spilling a little bit of water on my keyboard. No. No. Okay, it still works. Does my function key work? It probably does. Wait, now I'm like scared that my function key doesn't work anymore. But it probably does. Keyboard.
Corrupt Converter says, why are you so bad at not spilling stuff on your keyboard?
I don't know. I don't know the answers to these questions. Okay. Wait, what is this supposed to do? Wait, where's the function key on this fake keyboard? Oh wait, function. Wait, it's just saying 1. Wait, where's the function thing located? Oh wait. I don't like this one. I'm gonna find a different one. I'm sad. This one's done. This one? Oh yeah, that one. Wait,
Corrupt
no!
Converter says I recommend you invest in a bottle
God.
that doesn't spill.
Thank you for your recommendation. Wait a second. It will turn green. It's not turning green! The function key's not turning green. That's bad. Let's try the control key. The control key turns green. The alt key turns green. Function! Function! Shoot! No way. Wait, what is function used for? What?
Superbrain
Let's test
says
it again.
maybe it's always pressed.
It's not! How can I test it in another way? Oh, like I can test it like function. Oh yeah, use it like for volume. Oh wait, it works! I don't know why, those keyboard testers aren't like... That wasn't helpful at all. No, it works. Never mind.
Superbrain says those are the F1 to F12 keys.
Yeah, but you have to hold function to use the functions.
Corrupt Converter says
But he's
no,
right.
they're
If
talking
you hold
about the
hold
FN key.
function and then you hold the F1 to F11, you'll use the function of the key. Like if I just push the key without holding down function, then I can't change my volume. But if I hold down function and then use F2 or F3, then I can change the volume. But I need to hold down function, so function works. Oh, they can't detect. Okay, I got you.
Corrupt Converter says
interesting.
websites can't detect FN key, I think.
I see. So that's why those ones weren't like registering the function. Oh, that's why it was grayed out. It was like gray because it's like we can't detect this key. While the other ones were like were white. I see. Invest in a bottle of Don't Spill. Nice.
Corrupt Converter says you use software on your computer to check rather than a website.
I see. Hey, I learned something. Hey, did you know, Corrupt? I just learned today, but I was wondering if it's common knowledge. But I feel like I learned like a new sorcery trick. Did you know an EPUB is just like a bunch of like HTMLs? Like you can change the extension of EPUB to zip, and then it will open up as like individual HTMLs or something like that. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Oh, okay. This is interesting. You don't spell liquid in...
Corrupt Converter says I've never worked with EPUB.
Wait, what do you mean, Superbrain? Range is T. Times 5? Wait, no. 10. T times...
Superbrain says your first step in that process was a blunder.
4.
Just don't spill liquid on your keyboard.
That's easier said than done. I didn't even spill from like a cup. I spilled because, like, I can't close my mouth. That's why I spilled. The following statement: 15 is 9 more than J. J plus 9 is 15.
Corrupt Converter says you spat on your keyboard.
Essentially, because I keep talking during the stream. I know.
Superbrain says you could try looking towards a bucket while drinking.
Yes, thank you all for your suggestions. 15 is 9 more than... Wait, what did I do, J? Is this what I wrote? Is this what it's saying? 15 is 9 more than J. This is J. Is same thing as j plus 9?
Superbrain says I think we really achieved something here.
I did this. J equals... This better be right. 4...
Corrupt Converter says
No.
I can understand if it's solid food, but liquid
That's
drinks
fine.
go wrong much more often.
That's true. They really do. Oh, hello, Surla. Hi.
Surly_JR says
Nice to
hi.
meet you. I have to ask everyone who joins if they like math, since I'm in the math channel. Do you do math? What is math? I don't know. No, 6. Dur.
Corrupt Converter says do you like meth?
No, math! Well, I thought... Okay.
Surly_JR says no, I don't like LOL.
Fair. Did you join from the math channel?
Superbrain says 3,4 methylene dioxymethamphetamine.
You're to solve an equation. 8 equals 1 minus 4.6.
Corrupt Converter says don't like math or don't like meth. True or false?
Bah. Oh, she made a mistake. Interesting. Okay. Wait. Does this count as setting? Wait. Oh, it's probably calculating then. Because I'm like, okay, never mind. I thought this one would be called setting up, and then this one would be called setting up part 2. It's probably gonna be here.
Superbrain says at Corrupt Converter.
Oh wait,
yes.
it could be correct. There's a C. There's option C, so I have to actually solve it. Great. 12.6. It's solved correctly. Okay. What's half of... Oh. Half of 36 is... $18. So I'll get to question 18.
Corrupt
Yeah,
Converter says 18.
You guys are much faster than me. Even with the stream delay, you did it faster. I'm sad now, but it's okay. I'll get to 18, and then I'll do like one of the task 1s for the next exercise in Python. Wait. In progress? Oh, it's because I have to save it. Hold on. Let me save my... Oh, wait, no. I said I was going to refactor this into the other thing. The beast that... Oh, I think he's gone now. Well, if he's gone, then I can just skip it. What was his name? The other guy, Bode. Bode the Bode. Bode the Bode, are you there? Because he suggested something, but it was a while ago. Oh, from Python! Yeah!
Superbrain says I proposed that idea.
You proposed that? Are you sure it was really? It was where you said there's another way you can put like X. You said there was like another syntax I could do something else and do like something like blah 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 blah, like something like this, and like Python would support that syntax. That was you. Okay, this might be wrong, but it was something. It looked something like this here. You can do something like that. It was you, Brain? Oh, okay. Also that you could check the 2 non-normal options and leave normal for the else.
Superbrain says yes.
Oh,
Also that you could check
you
the
did
2
both?
non-normal options and leave normal for the else.
Wait, can I fulfill both of those conditions together, or do I... Oh, wait, there's the 2 different solutions, right? So I'd have to do... I want to code them both, basically.
Corrupt Converter says what's 4 cubed?
Wait, no? What do you mean no? Wait, what? No was the answer to which question I asked? Sorry, I already forgot. Wait, maybe you should write a whole sentence. There's two. Those are both two different. They're two different solutions. Or are you saying I can combine the syntax, this whatever new syntax, into? Okay, I'll write two methods then.
Superbrain says you could not fulfill both ideas in one method.
Let's do that now. Never mind. I won't move on to a new problem. I'm just gonna comment this out, and I'm gonna try writing two methods that work. Like, when I obviously don't comment them out. I want to try both solutions. I hope that makes sense. What? Why do you guys keep writing that?
4 cubed?
I don't know, it's... Oh. It's whatever 16 times 4 is. 40... 64? Why? What?
Superbrain says, oh wow TDS, look at you pronouncing caret 3 as cubed.
Me? Wait, it's not 1? I think. Anyway, I'm gonna do the thing real quick. Okay, comment this out.
Corrupt Converter says print that out in Python.
The solution below. Huh? Wait, oh my god. I just opened up the emote thing. Oh wait, no, it went away. In Python it is 1? Are you not supposed to pronounce that cube? What?
Superbrain says wait, is it?
Why is it 7? What? Wait, why? What? I don't get
Corrupt Converter
this.
says oh wait, yet it's 7.
Wait, is this caret thing not an exponent? Why is this...
Corrupt Converter says I miscounted.
What is this? What am I looking at? Why is this happening? It's a bitwise... What
Superbrain
the...
says very good.
What's a... What's a bitwise operation? I'm so confused right now. What? I hate this so much. You knew, Aya? You knew the whole time? Oh, wait. Oh, it's not what I think it is. It's not like a raise to the power. How do you even do that in... Oh, it's like a... Okay.
Ayaweza says it's for exponentiation.
It is for explanation? But wait, what? 437. Oh no.
Ayaweza says BTW you should Boolean algebra.
Oh no. Okay. Oh no. I have to stop clicking on people's names. I hate this so much. I hate it here.
Corrupt Converter says
Oh,
so
it's
let's
doing
say
it
we
with
had 5
binary?
cubed.
This
In
is dumb.
binary that's 101 caret 011. Take the left, and then for everything on the left that's 1, flip the value of the bit. You get 110. Converter says on the right, that's one I mean.
What in the... What? Wait, what? Anyway.
Corrupt Converter says it's super easy to do by hand.
Binary, that's... 3. Take the left and then for everything on the left, that's 1. But, like, why?
Corrupt Converter says given you know the binary form of the number.
Oh my god! Wait, all that's doing is wait. So this isn't related to actual exponents at all, is it? This...
Superbrain says absolutely correct question. What?
Why? Maybe we'll start from the top. Maybe actually we'll read this. Everything you should know about bitwise.
Corrupt Converter says it's not related to exponents.
Okay, that's what's confusing. It performs logical operation. If input bits are the same, then the output will be false. That's true. Oh, so everything just supposed to flip.
Snowy_smile_ says hey Jay.
Hey Jay.
You are
Oh wait, no, I don't know why I said hey. I'm like
it's super fun and useful Pok Pikachu.
Fun? Fun? I don't trust the word fun when you guys anyone uses it anymore. This is fun? Am I having fun? I don't know. Yes.
Superbrain says
I
at
am
Corrupt
having
Converter,
fun.
yes.
Does Python have the... Haven't you ever noticed the little squiggle looks like a Python?
Corrupt Converter says print out 0 in Python.
I don't want to. You can't make me. Super fun if you have understood it. Oh yeah, if you have understood it. Okay, Zor table 0. I'm dying. I'm so happy to see you, Snowy. I finally started to do programming on stream.
Snowy_smile_ says and super
few
useful.
weeks.
Super fast.
I've been doing it more than... Like, I haven't really done Japanese in a while, but I'm going to do Japanese again. I actually have something set up with a friend. We're going to do some reading together at some point, but I've mostly just... When I'm solo streaming, I just do math and programming-related stuff, but I'm dumb and it's hard.
Corrupt Converter says yeah, knowing bitwise operators helps you optimize
Oh,
certain things.
How does this... That's right, like, what is this useful for? Like, how does this help you? I mean, I'm sure it's helpful, but I just can't figure out why you would... I'm sure it is. But wait, oh my god. I do have to stare. I'd have to look at this table for a little while. No, don't worry. But I'm happy. I'm happy to see you. Yay. Snowy, guys. Snowy is a really good programmer. Corrupt is also a good programmer too, but Snowy's like OP level programming.
Superbrain says I think the answer is a computer can do it quickly and it's sometimes useful.
Like, Snowy has, like, worked in the industry. Snowy's awesome. Like, the answer is a computer can do it quickly and sometimes useful. Okay. If you want to loop a number x in the range of, say, 8...
Ayoreza says it's pretty much useless in Python now. In Python, integers are not a thing.
I don't even understand why it matters if it's an integer or not. Why this operation is only useful if it's something that's an integer. If you want to loop a number x in the range of, say, 8 from 0 to 7, the fastest way to do that is x. What?
Ayoreza says
what does that
everything
even
is a
mean?
floating
What is...
point number
I don't
in the
even
sky.
get it. I don't even know. What does looping a number even mean? About binary
Snowy
math you have,
_smile
Snowy?
says I have written tens of thousands lines of code
I
about
know!
binary
I
math.
didn't want to bother with these. It's just like people keep saying, like, do this, plug this in. And I'm like doing some... I'm literally doing this. And then I get... Oh, wait. I mean, I wasn't doing that time. I was just trying to... Every time I try to do something, you guys give me, like, a long list of other things. So it's like I can't finish stuff. Uh-huh. Wait, what is that?
Ayoreza says.
How do you read that? Is it like Rakusen or something? I don't know. I'm about to plug it into G-Show. Let's see. Copy, copy, copy. Damn it. Come on, Twitch, stop being annoying. Okay. Look at all my tabs. I'm starting to collect so many tabs of just random things. This is... Oh, Dasen. Derailment. Yeah!
Superbrain
That's what I
says, I'm fairly
mean!
certain integers are a thing in Python.
Yeah. Dasen shitakunai. Counting goes like this. Loop between 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Wait. You mean like it'll loop over and over again, but it will plug in like 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. It'll just like keep plugging in those numbers in a loop? Is that what you mean?
Converter says JavaScript also uses floats everywhere, but turns it into an integer if you use bitwise operators.
I don't even remember learning about this ever. Bitwise operators. 0, 0. Wait. And then the output will be, oh, if they're the same. This is false. Wait, why would this be, wouldn't this need to be true? Wait, why is it only...
Superbrain says at corrupt converter well that I can support. Everything that isn't a float is NaN.
Why is it only true if they're not the same? Oh wait, if input bits are the same. Wait, if input bits are the same, then the output's false. Oh, okay. I don't know why, but okay. Fine. What in the... Oh my god. I don't think this explanation is that good, because he just does this, and he's like, no. He's like, gives this example, and he's like, now you know it. No, I don't! Maybe I should find it. Maybe I should find another link.
Snowy
this
underscore says carrot
This
meme.
is a bad
Are they the
article.
same?
It's not. It doesn't explain anything good. But the table's kind of cool though. But that's about it. Well, everything that isn't a float is non. What is that again? Is non like they're...
Superbrain says at corrupt converter there was an amazing talk about this, and not about
Amazing.
cats.
I know. Okay, yeah, I'm probably not gonna use this. But now that it's shown, I don't have to understand everything about it, but just like, I just want to know like what it's... I don't even have to know what it's used for, to be honest. I just need to know what it's
Converter
doing.
says Schrodinger's salt.
Why was this the first link? Oh god, no, I don't want to open an API. Oh my god, it's all like hard. Let's see this one. This is gonna be worse. Wikipedia is usually hard to read.
Superbrain
It
says
flips
yeah,
ones
you
and
really
zeros.
shouldn't be looking into
Okay,
this.
well then I'll ask you this then. I'll just ask this. If you, the more, it's not an exponent, but when you have like the caret symbol and then you have like 3 or 4...
Oasis says I told you the name
yeah.
of the thing already LUL.
I don't remember. Anyway, the higher you have the number, it's just notation. Like, if you have, like, a 3 versus a 4 after the caret symbol,
says it's
right?
just notation.
If you have a 3 or a 4 after the caret symbol, like, if the higher number you use, the more, like, it flips the sign that many times or something, right? Like, flips the sign 3 times.
Oasis says I said it like 3 times LUL.
Well, I don't care. I don't remember. What? That's not what it does? Damn it. I was hoping it would just do that. It's, like, a little less complicated.
Corrupt converter says no.
So what's the difference between 3 and 4 after, like, a caret? Or just, like, increasing the number does what to it? Oh god. Is it gonna be, like, just a lot of crazy math stuff?
Corrupt converter
In
says
Notepad.
in Notepad,
On two
On 2
lines.
lines, put like 8 random 1s and 0s on 2 lines.
Okay. Wait, can I just do it here? Because this is like a giant notepad, kind of.
Superbrain says it works on binary numbers. Looking at it in decimal makes the topic impenetrable.
Okay. So now that I made a whole row of 0s and 1s, now what? Copy those?
Corrupt Converter says copy those. Corrupt Converter says I said random.
Really? Okay. Oh, copy, okay. Just copy one
Corrupt
line.
Converter says no, copy what I put.
Technically. Bro. Guys. Fine. Wait, no, I was actually trying to copy from Twitch, but it wasn't copying. God damn. There, we'll use this. It's semi-random. I can just keep copying the block, and it's sort of random, but not really. Damn it. Can I just have this one? Is this good enough? Do I need another one?
Corrupt Converter says I split them for a reason.
Oh, that's why you did that. Damn it. Okay, well, I can just grab randomly from the middle.
Corrupt Converter says
And now
put
it's
those 2 on separate lines.
Semi-random. Oh. Doesn't matter. This is good, right? Just grab from... I don't know. There. I'll put a random one. There! It looks kind of random. Check every bit if the two numbers are
Snowy
different.
underscore
Right,
smile underscore says yeah, check every bit. If the 2 numbers are different, write 1 as the result, otherwise write 0.
Oh. But why does this... Wait, I'm glad I have this little editor now. What's the difference between... Like, what are we even doing? Like, what's the difference between this and like, what does it matter if you, like, increase the number
Corrupt Converter
afterwards?
says check that decimal place for both numbers.
Huh?
If they are the same, write 0. If they are different,
Notation?
write 1.
You mean they mean the same thing? It doesn't even matter what number I put after the caret symbol? I'm so like, why? What? Or is it like how many parts to check? To do the checking?
Ayaweza says it
It
matters.
does matter? How does it matter? Oh my god.
Ayaweza says the thing is that you don't know binary.
Well, I mean, I know it is, but not. I don't work with it. Is there like another? Wait, that is what the same? Oh wait, oh,
Ayaweza says that's why you shouldn't bother with this right now.
these different things. Wait, let me comment things out. It's not my fault. Someone told me to do this. Same or different?
Corrupt Converter says same or different.
What? What other examples are there on this? Oh god. One has zeros at every position but the first. Oh, wait a second. Are you just... I get...
Corrupt Converter
Bro, are
says
you
I'm
just
trying
saying...
to walk you through this so you know what the operator is doing.
Are you just saying, like... Okay, wait. If it's like 2, 2, it's saying compare 2 and 2. Like, compare these in decimal form. But, I mean, no, sorry, binary
Corrupt
form.
Converter says you need to work with me if you want to know how to do it.
Oh, is that what it means? It's just comparing 2 to 2, but written in binary, and then it's gonna give, I don't know, wait, what was it? I don't know. And then it just puts the zeros. That's all you had to say! That's all I was asking! Okay, there, I get it.
Aloysius says
Compare
yes.
the zeros in both of them. And then if they're different, if they're the same, it's 1. Or it's 0,
Aloysius
or 0, I
says,
forgot
but
which
their
one.
binary representation.
But their binary representation, yeah, there. I just wanted to know what the caret meant. I know that, okay, now I know 2 things are being compared, but just like compare the binary representation of 2 to the binary
Aloysius
representation
says,
of
like
2.
2 is 0, 0, 1, 0, and 3 is 0, 0, 1, 1.
Okay, so then compare that to that. If it's, and check each line, if it's like, if the zeros line up, then, using the Zor table thing that I was looking at. I think it's like if they're the same, return false. If they're different, return true. It's like a 1. Oh, okay.
Aloysius says, and the caret does a X or bitwise operation.
Phew. Okay. Good to know that that's what that does. Oh, wait. Okay, now I'm gonna do the thing. I said I was gonna write another version of this. So this works, but apparently Superbrain said there's another way I can do it. So I want to try the alternative way. Oh, wait. Is my first one.
Superbrain says, yeah. Do the thing.
Do the thing. Do thing. Right. So you said I can do if.
Corrupt Converter says, I think you need a potato.
You're all my potatoes. So then I would just want the bottom. Oh yeah, I want to do this threshold thing again. Okay. So this gives me my... Doesn't this one give me my upper threshold? And then this one gives me my lower threshold. This is my lower threshold.
Superbrain says, am I a cute potato?
Yes, very cute. The cutest potato. Do I do it like this? X greater than... Wait. Wait, no. Wait, what? X is... Like this? Not less than. Like this. Something like this. Oopsie. Wait, I think I have to use an equal. Do I have to use do I have to use an equal sign? I don't know. I don't know. I hate this. Return. Normal.
Superbrain says A equals B. They should point in the same direction.
They should point in the... Really? Oh yeah, X is less than the max threshold. Yeah, you're right. X is greater than the lowest. X is less than the max. Okay, so instead of X, we want... If threshold... Wait, what does go in here?
Superbrain says, yeah.
Yeah. Temperature. Oh, temperature times this. It's the temperature times neutron. I don't think I need parentheses, do I? I don't think it matters. It does matter. Doesn't it? It does? It might. I don't know. Maybe I'll try running it without the parentheses around around the multiplicate. The 2 things that are being multiplied.
Corrupt Converter says if C/D, M/N, what is the smallest integer value of B, and under what conditions does such a value exist?
What is smallest integer value B? Under what conditions? One above C divided by D.
Superbrain says no way. I think I know where you're going with that.
Wait, it failed. Wait, I do have to use the equal, right? Like if... Shouldn't it be this? Or equal to?
Corrupt Converter says where who's going with what?
Because it could be on the bound. Okay, maybe I will use parentheses. Temperature. Damn it, it doesn't work. Wait, what? I hate this. Because didn't it say it could be equal to the lowest, like the number and the threshold or whatever, and it still is fine?
And Stucky says I'm going to the kitchen with a cup.
Oh my god.
Smiley face.
It's good to drink in the kitchen. Don't ever drink over your computer. Wait, I can't get this to work. I'm sad. Wait. Oh wait, I copied and pasted wrong. It should be threshold minus. What the hell? I didn't even notice
Corrupt
that.
Converter says no.
My goddamn. Wait. Huh? Wait, what? No.
Superbrain says AHH alright.
Ugh, now I
It
can't get this
just
to
felt
work.
like that sort of thing.
Are you sure I can use double of these together like this? Because won't it be like... You can... yeah, I thought so.
Corrupt Converter says you cannot.
I don't know. This doesn't seem like it would run. Like that you could do it like this.
Corrupt Converter says maybe Python lets you.
Okay. He was saying Python does, but it's not returning what it should return, if so. So I'm thinking maybe not? I don't know. I mean, I could just play with it like a something simpler, like...
Corrupt Converter says
If-
I don't use Python, but in languages like C.
Oh. If it compiles and stuff. Like if... So this should be true. If, okay, x equals... Can I do it like this? I don't know. 5? If... So I want it to return true. If, Oh, yeah,
Corrupt
that's a good one.
Converter
That's a good one.
says Print 5-7.
So it should print, like, true, right? Since this is, like, a Boolean. That's a better. True. Oh, damn. Huh?
Corrupt Converter says wait, can I doing this?
False. Can... Wait. Oh my god. I have to stop clicking on things.
Corrupt Converter says, what? Superbrain says that's very interesting.
You guys are funny. Bro.
Superbrain
It's
says
very
haha.
interesting. Wait, so it is allowed. Wait, I'm so confused. So what's wrong with my thing then? If this is allowed, if this is wait allowed, and wait a second. Oh wait, no, yeah, that should be false.
Superbrain says is it like failing to do some weird HTML tag thingy? Corrupt Converter says 5-7 should be a true inequality.
Yeah, it does return true. I'm just like playing with the numbers just to make sure it's doing what it should do. So you can do this in Python, I guess. So what's wrong with what I wrote? Then, what's wrong with this? Is it because I have to put more...
Converter says you're just bad.
More parentheses? Is like more parentheses. More. I hate this. I hate it here. Wait, but it's saying if all these things are... Wait, isn't that what I wanted, though? And... Maybe I'm just not asking what I think I'm asking. Maybe I can't do it with this.
Corrupt Converter says I don't know, I can't read your code. All I see is the sun.
What do you mean? It's right down here.
Superbrain says carrot.
Times 0.10. That's a lower bound. Temperature greater than.
Superbrain says you have, in the upper bound.
Oh, damn. Oh, they both say minus. Threshold plus. Aha, okay.
Corrupt Converter says you should download the
Got
main
it.
extension called
It
Dark
works.
Reader.
Oh, that's what you meant with the sun. I didn't even get it. I'm fine with looking at this. It doesn't bother me too much right now. It's the sun. You guys are funny. Okay, so... Alright, now I'm going to try deleting... parentheses, because I want to see if it'll still be correct without the
Superbrain
parentheses.
says sorry for trying to break your TDS, but can I do this for emphasis?
She's so mean to my poor TCS. My poor baby. I want to try this now. I'm going to try deleting the parentheses here, and will it break? It doesn't. It doesn't. It knows not to compare this. It knows it needs to multiply this. Well, even without parentheses, it just knows it needs to be multiplied.
Superbrain says huh.
It's
But
cool.
it did correctly filter out the tags.
I'm over here doing this, and you guys are just like playing with the TTS. Just so silly. Okay, this is the second. This.
Corrupt Converter says TDS
is
read
my-
777. 777. 777. 777.
No, I need a classic Twitch chat.
777.
This is what Twitch chat is like.
777. 777.
You've already done that before.
777. 777.
Okay, TTS getting muted for a little while. Python is the most logical order of operations. Operations. Oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool though. I mean, in a way, yeah. It knew that, so that's good to know. All right, I'm gonna comment everything out and do the last solution. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna wait. What did I just do? Oh, there you go. I'll do the last solution after I finish the math thing. I'm just gonna add you to the block list on the TTS, so the TTS is buttons for everyone else. Stop doing that. It's not even going to be worth the extra effort if I keep banning them all. But then again, I guess this is why Twitch made the timeout feature, isn't it? Oh, yeah. But then that will time out the whole chat. Well, I'm just learning about my moderation tools, you know? That's all. Super brain funny. Let me see. What settings do I actually have? I haven't logged into that site in a while. So I don't even remember. I'm gonna open up a new window. Free TTS. I'm lucky they never retired their legacy tool.
Corrupt Converter says, okay, so because you said
It doesn't
times
time out
the
the whole chat.
Now I know you've never really used the moderation tools.
That's not what I said. I said it times. They have a timeout feature for chat. Like, I can time out individual users.
Superbrain says.
I didn't. Well, it's not what I meant, even if I did.
Corrupt Converter says you said it times out the whole chat. I heard you.
In any case, I know that the timeout feature is per user, because you have to click on their name to time out. What features do I have here? I mean, because I'm just using a free one. Let's see. I don't even know where to find it. Where's my...
Corrupt Converter says they should add a blackmail button to the moderation tools.
Definitely not. Free... Where is it? Okay. Now I'm curious, like I can't even find the webpage that where the old one used to be.
Corrupt Converter says, by the way, the solution is 8.
Yes. But yeah, I'm actually not doing the math. Oh yeah, I was going back to it, yeah. But then I got distracted looking at the TTS thing. Wait, now I'm on this tangent. Now I have to figure this out. Wait, what source am I? Okay, let me find my browser source for TTS. Okay.
Superbrain says 4 distractions further down the line.
You guys distracted me with the TTS stuff. Now I'm distracted. Now I have to like figure out 9H. Okay, so it's not this one. So they removed the link to adjust the settings or something. Oh wait, no, there it is. It's just on the bottom of the page.
Says,
it's called the legacy.
Face.
I found it. Aha. Okay. Which actually reminds me, I do need to take out a prefix for... Well, I don't even care. The fact that Seribot sometimes like reads out like Seribot has joined the chat, it doesn't really bother me. I'm not even gonna change it. Oh, there it is. Banned users. I only have streamed elements as a banned user. But I don't use that bot anymore. Okay, sorry, I'm not distracted anymore. I'm back. 8. Where's my carrot? 4. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted. I'm not even paying attention to the question at all. For 42.50, they can buy P-Bucks pizza. Each ship mostly 50. Oh, yeah. 42.50 total. Wait a second. Oh, buy P-Bucks pizza. This equation. Oh, yeah. I think 15. 30. Oh, okay, oh. Okay, it didn't mark it wrong. I was like, set for a second. Wait, does that mean I have to do it by hand?
Superbrain says solve PLS.
Solve, please. Okay. 1.2.
Corrupt Converter says damn I got denied it. Corrupt Converter says denied the meme.
1.5. This one? Oh, cause you like never. You mean
Corrupt
wait?
Converter
What
says
symbol?
it's so weird seeing that division symbol.
The little half rectangle thing. I bet it has a weird name too, right? I see the symbol. Square
Corrupt Converter
root,
says,
bro.
I see that symbol and I always immediately think square root.
Lol. Okay. I'm sad that they won't just take 1.2 divided by 1.5. I think that's a good answer to the question, but whatever.
Corrupt Converter says XQC, PVC,
5.
DVD, HTC, STD, LSD, ABC.
Bro, no. 25. 6, 7. Yo, Bode! Oh, you're back! That's where you went. I was like, where'd you go, Bode? Bode. I could not bode you farewell. Oh no, that's not good. I don't have Brian as an option. I told you that. If you multiply both sides by 2 or even 20, the problem becomes easy. Really? Oh, I'll try that. Okay. I'm gonna try that instead. I'll just do by 2 then. 1.2. Oh, well, now I have something to compare to make sure I do it right. Alright, I'll multiply both sides by 2 then. Does it really? Is that what you said? Multiply both sides by 2, so it's 2.4. Over 3? Wait, how did that make it easier? What? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, dividing multiplies by 3. That's interesting. 4 by 6. Oh, yeah, you can do that because the... Oh. Oh. 2.4 over 3 is easier? Is it? Oh. Oh, easier than 1.2 or 1.5? Huh.
Superbrain says easier than 1.2/1.5 anyway.
Okay. But yeah, that's cool. The one, what did he say? 4 over 5. I like this. This is a really cool trick.
Corrupt Converter
Corrupt.
says divide 12 by 3 equals 4. Divide
There's another
15
way?
by 3 equals 5.
Yeah.
So you get 4/5.
Yeah, that's a really cool. This one's cool. I didn't think of doing this. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, somehow 2.4 divided by 3 or over 3 is like just as hard as 1.2 over 1.5 for me, I think. Or I don't know, I can't just look at it and solve that one. Juan and David were trying to describe parts of the expression. Juan said the entire expression is the product of 3 factors. No. David said the entire expression is the sum of 3 terms. David. Apply the distributive property to factor out the greatest common factor. Okay. That's 7, I think. You see 1.2? Yeah.
Corrupt
Multiples
Converter
of
says
3.
in my head I see 1.2 and 1.5 as 12 and 15 following a pattern of multiples of 3. Comes from experience.
That one's really cool because you can, like, if you can see it as 12 and 15, then you instantly, like, see that proportion, then you instantly can get the answer. And you don't even have to do any, like, division stuff. So that was cool. The hanger image below represents a balanced equation. Find the value of the next equation. Oh, yeah. 9. Oh, it's a dentist. It's the dentist question. 50 plus 100. N. You know what? Now that I think about it. Since dentists make more money, the more cavities you have, maybe, at least if they do that, then that's why they give you candy afterwards. No wonder. At least that's what my dentist used to do. Was like give all the kids candy, which is like weird at a dentist's office. If you think about it, at a party. Java Club bought 9 large pizzas. Each pizza had S slices. Altogether, there were 72 slices of pizza. Yay. Minus. I wonder if he'll take this. I wonder if S has to be by itself for them to accept it as the right answer.
Bodepi Bode says what if grandma equals dentist?
Oh my god, that's why she made so many cookies! Oh, it does take that. Okay.
Corrupt Converter says I keep getting TDS cooped.
Cooked. 10. Yeah, so 11.
Corrupt Converter says I TDS cooped myself, bruh.
6 minus 4. 18 minus 4. 14.
Bodefi Bode says.
60 minus 4.
Corrupt Converter says before. Corrupt Converter says oh what?
Two and X.
Corrupt Converter says wait, how does this work?
3 times the sum of 2. Okay, now I have to wait. Oh, I'm not really that close to the end that I thought I was. Never mind. $2,000 for some materials. 7 roses. 16, 20. Oh, it's at addition. Duh. Oh, I had a calc the whole time. I think I did it right. I'm just gonna make sure.
Corrupt Converter says what is the worst thing you have seen on the internet?
You guys trying to break the TTS. Yeah, you thought the same thing of me, Superbrain.
Superbrain
This
says
chat,
this
literally.
Chat.
Are you using calc? I know calc is slang for calculator. Yeah, I am. I'm using the. Oh, I did it already without the calculator, but I should just do this
says
anyway.
I've seen worse.
2.5.
Wait, what? Says, does anyone know the meme?
Oh, I'd plug this in wrong. Goddamn. 3, 7. Oh god. Plus 5. Yeah. I was not expecting them to give a calculator on that. Because they don't give a calculator on, like, anything else. Like, which is annoying.
Corrupt Converter says 30 of 36.
8. I think it was this one last time. X is less than 6. Rendering quality describes T temperatures that are higher than the boiling temperature of water. Oh. True statement. No, I could just plug these all in, but I also could just do it without plugging things in. I have it too. Maybe I'll try to do it without plugging anything in. -7, 15. Wait, just so I don't make a dumb mistake and forget numbers. 15 on the side. 5x minus 15. So 30 divided by 5. 6. X is less than or equal to 1.
Corrupt converter says uh-oh.
Oh, what? Oh, we're good. Good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, by the way, here's the plan. What do you think about this, Corrupt? I'm gonna finish this test, this unit test, finish it, go back to exorcism, do the final solution, because Bode said there's one, not Bode, sorry, I keep calling you Bode, Superbrain, you said there's one other way. There's one other way I can solve this.
Superbrain says.
You said I can ask if it's in the other domains, and if it's not, then it has to be this is normal, then return normal, something like that.
Corrupt converter says Bodetha brain.
So Bode the brain, that's what they sound like when they're combined. So I'm gonna try to code to make this to use the final solution that you recommended that I can use. I'm gonna try that, and then I'm gonna go play SCP with Corrupt and anyone else who wants to come play. You're invited too, as long as Corrupt's fine with that. Because wait, how many people can play SCP at a time? Is it 4 players support it, or is it like only 2? It is multiplayer. You did say there's like it's a multiplayer mod or something. Oh, you don't know? Okay. Well, if it supports more than 2 people,
Corrupt converter says I don't know.
And people can play SCP. Yeah, nice. Well, if more people support it, you guys can come join in and we can all play SCP together. Is it all free? I'm assuming all of it's free. The mod was free. The game was free, right? Can you give me the... What's the... I mean, maybe I can just find it by searching, but, I mean, is the multiplayer mod on the Steam store, or is it like a workshop mod or something weird like that? Where did you get that from? You're good? Okay.
Superbrain says, nay,
Oh.
I'm good.
Oh, and you're afraid. Oh my god, you poor thing. And the game is free. Oh, gotcha. But where did the mod come from? Is it on the... Is it listed in the Steam store, or is it like a workshop thingy? A Steam workshop thing? Witchcraft represents XY pairs that make the equation y equals x plus 3 true. 5, 4 plus 3...
Corrupt converter
7,
says yeah, you can just get
B.
it on Steam.
Okay, cool. That's cool then. It has to be this one. This is the last one, so I have to get it right. I'm gonna double check it with all of you guys just so I know I'm not gonna get it wrong. So I can actually play. Well, you know, do what I follow my plan. Where x equals 3. So I think you have to do the exponents first. So 9. 36, right?
Corrupt converter says
Yeah,
36.
cool. And then we're done with this. Take this, Khan Academy. I hate you. Take it. Nice, and then later in the future, just in the future, probably not in this stream, then I'll just this one unit need to do this unit test.
says I think a drawing game like Scribble could be fun sometime.
Yeah, that could be fun. Maybe sometime. Yucky drawing, lol. It's better if you have a tablet. Oh yeah, he doesn't... Corrupt doesn't like drawing.
Corrupt converter says I hate art.
Damn, Corrupt. Okay. Try it. Time to do your thing. Alright, if... What am I gonna have an if?
Corrupt converter says unless it's redacted.
So I think we're gonna need this threshold thing again, though. So let's grab the threshold. Actually, I want to give credit. This is my second solution, which was a suggested challenge by... See, now you can be forever in this. Super Brain. What's your name? Well, I guess it's like all lowercase. There you go. See? You're credited now. What? Sure.
Super Brain says Suyur.
What is... Why sure? Wait a second. So you were just... Wait, weren't you just suggesting doing this and then just like using not or something? Because you're saying like if it's not within that... Oh wait, no, you're saying check the check the ranges that it's not supposed to be in.
Corrupt
And if it's
Converter
in
says
that
you
range...
need to have a super brain to solve this problem.
No. And then if it's not in the range, then return it. If it's not in...
Super Brain says yes.
Check the... Okay. So there's gonna be a not eventually. Okay. This is the lower bound, so it needs to be outside the lower bounds.
Corrupt
If
Converter
not
says
outside the
Super
lower
Brain
bounds.
says no.
What? No, he said yes. Stop. That's mean, Corrupt. If not, God, nice threshold. Wait, how did this? This is later. So this is the lower bound. So to be lower than this, it has to be lower. So it has to be... Wait. Lower than this.
Corrupt Converter
This
says.
is lower than. Then we have... We of course need the temperature.
Super Brain says yes.
Ah. Corrupt Converter always says that. Wait, let me think about... Okay. Then we're gonna use... We need the upper bound. It needs to be greater than the upper bound. Yeah. Greater than, which is this. I just don't feel like typing, so I'll copy and paste it. Wait, I have a question for you, Corrupt, while I'm doing this. Do you even remember how to play SCP? Or no? Because I haven't played it before, so...
Super Brain says at Corrupt Converter that looks like
Okay.
a zero with
So you'll
space, if
teach
I'm
me.
not mistaken.
You'll teach me how to not die, right? You'll teach me everything I need to know. So I don't... You're not gonna, like, leave me to die. You wouldn't...
Corrupt Converter says I think.
You'll sacrifice your life to save me, right? Right? It's not zero with space. Zero with
Corrupt
space.
Converter says it is not zero with space.
Oh yeah, it's not. It didn't copy as intended. Let me try again. Go there. Return. Normal.
Corrupt Converter says
Let's
why
see.
would he sacrifice myself the fuck? Just don't blink at SCP-173
Bro!
and you're good.
Because chivalry is not supposed to be dead. That's why. Yes, of course. Calmer vow inherent. What?
Bodefi Bode says the Peanut Man is scary.
The Peanut Man. So you do know the game. Wait, let me see. Who said? Who said it was? I think it was you, Bode, right? Oh yeah, it's 2 a.m. and you're afraid. Okay. So you're just gonna let me be afraid by myself with Corrupt, who's not even gonna, like, save me? He's just gonna, like, abandon me to die? Oh my god. I have no one. Please run. Please run. Please don't fail. No! Ooh.
Bodefi Bode says yeah, why
Oh,
not?
I'm missing a accidentally. Never mind. Please run. No, it failed. Well, it ran, but at least, but it was good. But it didn't do what it was supposed to do.
Corrupt Converter says at Superbrain that's among the only invisible characters that don't get blocked when you set it as your Discord nickname.
What did I do wrong? Seriously, what did I do wrong here? What is it? What output did it actually give? The function returned normal, but the text expected low.
Superbrain says didn't I suggest putting normal in the else state?
Oh, I don't remember that.
Corrupt Converter says to see it in action, check the general channel.
We use the... Wait, where's... Where did I get my phone? Oh, nice, they're all here. Why'd you at yourself? And use the text chat, the stream one. Ooh, why did this return normal? Wait, if I use the not here, what is it doing? Is it saying not for the whole entire thing? If not for everything? Do I have to put not everywhere? Like, oh my god, will this even work? What happens if I do that? What does that
Superbrain
even
says
mean?
it probably does yes.
Oh, not at the beginning, not's the whole thing. Okay. But that should make sense. Does it? Because this is the lower bound. Lower bound greater than... If temperatures... Oh wait, no, then that wouldn't be not.
Superbrain says AB is one expression. Putting not in the middle of it doesn't work.
Okay, it's one expression. So Python sees it as one. Got you. Yeah, it should be not. If... Wait,
Bodefi
try
Bode
again.
says what if there was a SCP that gave you math questions and if you didn't answer it turned you into a number?
So you basically become one with math. That's a good thing. So I would want to answer them wrong anyway, because I want to be. If I'm a number, then I, know math better. You are saying lower
bounds. That's
bounds.
Baldi from Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
Well, let me think about x less than lower bound. Oh, x greater than upper bound. But it's evaluating it like... Oh, okay, it's not doing what I thought it did then. It just doesn't make sense. It'll
Superbrain
always be
says
false.
that expression just doesn't make sense and will always be false.
Oh, so I just can't use... Oh, yeah, you said these are two separate things. I'm getting mixed up with the last thing I did. You're right. I get it, you're right. So if... Let me change this again.
Superbrain says because lower bound upper bound is always false.
Okay. And... So we can't do that with the multiple I see. Thingies. But then I think I do the knots. If not, and not. There. Done. Thank you. You're right. As I forgot, you said that the carrot thing, the double carrots, is not like there's just those solutions are separate from each other, and I like mixed up the last solution with the one I'm doing now, so it should be like two separate statements. Connect it with and. Wait, what is this thing? Wait, what is this? Why is this commented out? What is this that I have? Is this just the same? Oh. What the hell? Oh, I just accidentally copied this twice, I guess. That's weird. That.
Superbrain says there exists the amazing SCP. The set of all numbers that don't exist. It's very mathy.
Should I have a space here? I wonder, does it look better with a space in between? I think it does. Oh, yeah, I think it should. But yeah, okay, cool. Submit. No, I'm not gonna do any of that. Yay! What is the next one? Just curious. Wait. Oh, I'd have to submit it. Wait, I did submit it. Oh, mark is complete. Okay. So then the next one would be blackjack. Wonderful. Oh my god. Cool. There exists the amazing SCP. The set of all numbers that doesn't exist is very— oh no! I don't want to go against SCP-Y. That sounds horrible. Absolutely terrible. Terrible. Okay, so I need to install the game on my desktop computer if we're gonna play. You're still there, right, Corrupt? You still want to play, or just making sure you want to, or just change your mind? Estimation of Mr. Beast's projected average view count.
Corrupt
Damn!
Converter says the next Python problem is creating an estimation of Mr. Beast's projected average view count change from now to a year from now.
Oh my god.
Bodefi Boat says honestly I don't think he'll drop out.
But yeah, do you still want to play Corrupt? Because if so, then I guess I'll try to set up my desktop for it. Okay, cool. So what I will do though is I do want to start.
Corrupt Converter says yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, your computer's turning? Cool. So I'm gonna switch off of my laptop and switch to my desktop. So I'm gonna stop the stream because I'm streaming from my laptop, and I'm gonna start streaming from my desktop instead. And I'm gonna start streaming in the. Let me check to make sure. Well, it probably does. It literally has. Twitch has every game. So I'll be streaming from the SCP category. Lol. No more math. Goodbye, math, for now. Goodbye.
Corrupt Converter says
Exorcism.
I need a laptop.
Alright. I'm going to stop the stream.